Who can play that game? Two can play that game. Two can play that game. Yeah. Welcome back to PFS Flames, guys. You know, me telling you, you see it? What me telling you, say, the more you share and the more you subscribe, and more me post movie day after day after day after day. Smell there. So, if you want to subscribe one time, you don't have to touch it again because it's only free. Just touch, leave it alone, and you can turn on the bell so you see when it pop up. But anyway, I'm thanking you guys, and
we love you guys.
I don't know what to say. You guys are pushing us far and far and far. Every day, ask them. I sit down on my computer, I shed your water. I shed your water because you guys are making it possible. Mel, what do you have to say?
We love you guys. Thanks for all the support, and keep on continue to support us, giving your blessings. We respect all of you, so share it to a friend, and always be right. Zimmy.
Alright, and I want to say one more thing. Big up Empress G TV. Please, guys, go over there, go subscribe to Empress G TV. Just go over there, subscribe. Comment on our video, them tell us Papa is sending you over there. Subscribe to our channel because she's helping the foundation that I'm starting right now for kids and the older folks. We're gonna do fundraise for kids and older people, but middle people, you know, you can work for it. So please remember.
Well, one cause girl.
I want me yellow good.
Can't see so. But when me not see that day, if come in here, I come look for me rest here, so.
You know, so I'm busy up, man. I'm very busy.
You're busy.
Of course, you know, see.
I know I'm stressed out and tired out.
How I stress you out?
You know, so if mama and papa get big mansion and then build up a mansion, and you know, so money will change people. So if I didn't get that, you know, so I'm here and left my house. They move on.
But at least then if I big house give you.
And then that,
yeah.
they should have a next child because me down the board, you know. Sometimes I'm afraid when I sleep and I tell me I feel turn on the light.
So they get my young boy done them, man.
Boy, young boy, they can't bother with stress now. They're too stressing.
They're active, you know, they can deal with the good.
Well, yeah, depends for you. What you like me, I have to go do, you know, because you're busy. Stay all day here. But I say you go. And second thing, I kind of glad say they move out too, because you know some people them are Christian. You know, so certain things that me want to do, and especially them, my parents keep me them, you know. The cost where they ain't give me any clock, where they ain't tell me.
That's why I'm not too come down there, you know, because I can't bother with them. They want to say you can't wear no dress without sleeve. And they dress you.
No, son. It was stressing too much. So I kind of glad so they ain't gone, but we just lower it down there. So it's either me find a friend, but I have to find no friend.
Don't want a friend for the bad company. Get one man. Man you can't trust him.
I forgot that, you know.
They one big man.
They up there. Well, but the next thing to me, I have to be careful out there. Like, some man love pretend. And they want, and they have to say, if they know, so me have the money.
Well, they pretend like you're broke. When you get fit down with the show colors, they not have money.
That me have to do. Okay, man out there. I know man alone, a gold digger, you know, you have man out there too. But me, so me can just come on a long time, I don't see and say, mama and papa, they didn't say, you close them way rare, and they know, they say, me, you broke me out. One can understand
they don't say
that.
broke out long time.
You don't see sense. When I look up a child, that just make it get worse. Because I'm going to go down where they can't force a child, we don't want to rear from, we don't want to rear. But I'm going to take advice to him. I'm going to look at man, you know, because I need a company.
Look at the man who understand life. We're mature.
Any man come, me stick.
No, that's how you go. Look, a mature man will not go beat you. So, well, you take up a man who will beat you. That you are trying to say.
Beat him back. I beat him back.
I say you want done there.
Take advice to him, man. Then look boy up. They're not worth it. But let's probably come still. I have to ask him worry level if you're still living, because I say Harley.
Hear about if you still living.
I now come to the yard. But later, if I not, I come back up here. But I want to take advice because me, not know the horse they alone.
More don't see them there alone, worse than my friend of mine shadow.
It's a son of this assessment here.
Welcome, pretty girl.
Alright.
Are we alone and walking in them places, man?
You know, some of my family let me go look for a long time in the see her. Just go back home.
Oh.
What's up for your cold though?
That's it though. So what go on this friendly though? Where do for them here by yourself?
How about now go to the man?
Roll on the by here? Them a boy are thief, man. They will thief all the clothes them off for you.
So they can order?
What? Who?
You know, say,
Everybody living on the by here are thief, man.
I think she said, yeah, come back on here because I'm going to go. If you can enter on here again.
Yeah, man, them are thief, you know? So where you going? What you are doing? Because a nice looking slim girl like you apart. You know, for man take away.
But they can't take more, man.
Yo, me say, so you look good, woman. I'm not telling like, I wash all the jars and feel. A woman like who me like, we just scrub. You ever they wash your panties? Scrub.
Never saw somebody that talk to a man like that. Because nowadays, they don't want to wash a girl in panties, they want to take it off.
No, me will wash it because I may take off him. Because first thing, when we want to check him, we like to see why like. Before me wash it, because sometimes some woman hide some secrets from it. Then carry some infection in the drawers and then wrap up it tight and put in a one corner of one house. So if every man check a one corner of one house, then find some jars, roll up, put on neat to the dash way.
True, but can't say I want a nice guy, man, to hold talk on bed.
Well decent, one of a kind. I don't cheat and I don't eat.
Love that.
I only consume food, you know?
Love that man, that's a nice guy.
Yeah, man. How are you single?
Yeah, I'm single, you know.
Yes, father.
I'm single.
Like I write, can you send me out there?
So we can't text. Can you give me a number?
Right now, I'm going to tell you the truth, you know. I should have seen myself, I have no phone, you know, man.
Don't worry about that, man. Watch out now. You have no phone?
No.
Alright. Come with me.
See, right now?
Yeah, come with me.
Wait, you have my phone?
Yeah, because I'm in your phone.
Lord,
any phone you want.
Oh.
Come on. This
Yeah.
is so nice guy so far.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, cause girl.
I'm here for them, so.
If I want man.
Alright.
If I want man. Why young man?
Young man?
Well, he could have been my father, but
That's
he's
not
still
young
young.
man.
He's still young man. You see, same day I left you out there. You buck up on one man. He nice, no? He had a wash. Auntie.
Aye! Married him.
Me never know something nobody said this.
Married him. But him a wash it. Married
I
him.
put a ring on my hand. That's a man job. I didn't propose and the female live. But a good you over for run and come and say, no man, you need to know this. A good man, the man that cook and give me breakfast in a bed.
I'm jealous.
I said, no man. What's your jealous? You can't go on too. Go look one day. Said me phone ask me get a lucky one day. You can't get lucky too.
Boy, you know what I'm saying? Right? Let me try to finish up my house.
Why? You know, finish up. Well, I'm not ready to blame mistake because I have the money, you know, but...
But see, I feel your brother, I feel to feel my brother.
Go ahead, bro, still, man. But I tell you, man, Jesus.
So how you looking, brother, in black?
Bro, I want to bro, man.
Here there.
Him good in a bed.
No, Allah, yeah, he not so good.
I tell you.
You say wash, then you say good in a bed, and you say you can cook.
I'm a big chef.
I
So you used to work. I want some fancy restaurant, but I don't think without him and he manager. So you just like
I
tell her good you no pick me. He's single. So
No. Let me stop me.
why how nice suit me I tell her. Nice suit.
You sure you say that one for the side?
I'm not my side. I hope you see it. I'm not chilling, man. I'm not alone. Me insect. I mean say I'm taking your word. You know, say now, okay, I said, yo, I'm ready to do work, you know. So you would have just turn on and say, like, housewife, but that be the man, then what?
Okay.
Would you, me, I tell you.
So you see who I'm doing?
Yeah.
You not text no woman?
No woman. Talking about that. That's why I buy my little phone still, I never have no phone. Buy my phone and cheap. So you have to respect me. You're not bride if you can't man in my house.
Them man nowadays them pass bride.
Choose
And the sister them having a bed in a your own bed.
You can't do that. And woman me catch him in a bed with the two of them are dead right there. And I bury them in that shame shit where they need it, man. They know me. But me I tell her good girl. Yeah, smell like just that way I cook around there. Smell like macaroni and cheese.
Boy, that's not now going I feel so little cheap as.
I say you go stay go munch on something, yeah. But the first steak or maybe Burger King go tonight. And the man, yeah.
You may happy feel, I'm so glad you find love.
You send me on the song, I feel award you. If I didn't never stand with take advice now, you would have come in mine to do that.
Just make sure say now you will do. You know they will for your money. You don't say you have money.
You know, I say, the people, man, you know what we think, but if you fully know if I'm a millionaire, but far, good man, you might do right, you do a man job where a man supposed to do. No, I respect him for that. When the man see me already, hold on to it, no man, no.
Why you?
One day, me I tell you, I love him, me I tell you. So I'm going to treat that woman. Happy man. This seems like you're not going to fall, but this is news of it that have come and tell me could take a cab. Anytime he takes you, you come like, your phone disappear.
I'm so busy.
But
you have a good idea come up here and see me.
I tell you, you come back and ask if I'm not so we can link you find one thing. You know what I want, man?
Well, any money I let me up and Christine can finish meals because you know some my house more finish first.
Man, good thing that.
Alright, take care.
You're going back to your husband.
Me happy for you, God know.
Yes, mommy? Daddy sick. How come? Oh, it's something bad. I didn't catch fever. Why? Mommy, not to be honest. I don't know. I don't think it's picking up that big business. Like, I don't know if me help on you know, but I think we're fully matured to take over. Yeah, me only know look ropes around the business, yeah, but that is a big company. You sure that is sick or tired, this one?
Babe?
Yeah, hold on one minute. Huh?
Oh. Tired now, see how I want to clean. Where are the phone?
Yeah.
Oh. What? She has some more money?
Mommy, me call her back. Me call her, okay? Alright. When I know, say, I daddy say, you want to take daddy place.
Take it.
Until.
Take it.
Me don't think me mature enough to take daddy.
No, listen. When the day you can get money up and you control the money. So you can translate something on my account, you know, because you know, I'm not cheap and everything nice and... Well,
You know.
Yeah, man. You know, because we need some money still and the place for us straighten up. You can't say your family one big place and all of you still on computer. Go into the office too, man. You can't just stay home and just work at home alone. Wobble. Go into the big field.
I don't call that back.
And, yeah.
So we are going to dress up.
No, I'm not going to know still because we just have come to think of it now. I feel like you go there and you take a job now. You can just stay home and go and relax and help with the other house where you renovate, the new house where you renovate with the pool. And the car is still no and then the drive, yes, but in a way of life still, you know, still have to translate some money to your bank car.
Yeah, you don't be able to. That's an easy thing to do.
And the delivery truck man, give me the number so we can keep in contact with them so we help. When they meet them come, we know how to translate it like how your father see. So we can deal with that. So you put it in to the place, right? So we deal with the meat part, you don't have to worry about it, you don't have to call them.
Alright.
So we deal with that part there. So go help them man. Go test out the field today. Test out it man.
We don't plan to go tomorrow, you know. But
alright, from out tomorrow, we must get the last next door someone. Alright, I can't go tomorrow, I can't go today. No long, no oogie. You know, long. You're starving, man. You have to more wait. You can't wait. Why me always have to wait now?
patience, my darling, patience.
Patience, my darling, patience. At first, I get that word there. In my life, I never see nobody wait for nothing.
Alright, you see me starving? Starving you done now. Because tomorrow me I go in.
Yeah, but when you go in tomorrow, we don't get no sex. You're gonna be busy. Oh, you're tired.
No man, you still don't get that man. You take the after, you know.
When me mind still I'm gonna take a walk on the road, yeah?
So you saying I'm going to you? Alright.
No, I never tell you that. Just relax, man. Nothing for fret. What you fret for?
Alright.
You don't know that me and you engage.
Yes, hon.
So nothing can want to put on the ring. No girl can come past this property, yeah. Well, you're my one bonus.
Make sure.
Number one in the world, girl. You're my sweetheart. My baby lover. My sweet candy.
Sweet me up. So I love you.
Yeah, my tulus. What? Anyway, still. You can transfer around 10,000 back home.
Yeah, man.
Like. You did?
I take the phone with me. Yeah, nothing about your glass.
40 grand?
Yeah.
Jesus!
You know, that's the way you play them how you want. I get more from that.
Love you for that.
Let me to baby.
The girl can't come no near this property. She
Alright.
alone.
Call back mommy, I know.
Yeah, man, call them and tell them you're willing to come in tomorrow. And remember, are you control the money when they are working up? You take whatever you take and send it to the account there, so you know, baby, because you are working. Anyway, later.
So, mommy, yeah. What you saying now?
Oh, God.
Why games you come? When on?
Yeah, look so. How you say you're going from the office go sit down, girl?
You know, my clothes are already, you know. But besides, remember, so when I go and work in about gear, they work in clothes.
Boy.
No worry, man. So I just go check and come. Because if I never feel like I forgot to let you know, can I say first?
No, go on, man. Go on.
I feel true, you know. I feel true because if me not go, the business we run.
Business not go work. I remember we saving some money, yeah?
Alright.
Come on, go on.
Well, you don't be at the back now, you know.
No, me not be at the back. It was mad. Me not cheat and me not eat.
Alright, later.
Yeah, me loyal. Come on, call me bro, you know. Sunday. Think I'm wrong push this. You can't come over with me. Right now. Alright. Now we fine. Oh, you're here?
Yeah.
Welcome.
You know, I just want to talk to you about something important. You know, say a long time I talk and you help me out. But I love if I could get some more money. Because I don't want my husband to go to work. You know, because I'm tired for hide and talking every minute. So, you know, you see if you don't work, you can come out frequently, come check you. You see me? I just want to stay in. So if you get enough money where we can help him out and put food in our house and say, do that, don't go nowhere because we have everything and provide everything for you. Because post one day he might come from work and see me on the road.
Alright. I like the sound of that what you're saying now, but hear what I'm saying now. You see, for me do all of that, you can't sleep with him again.
He hardly want to, you know, mingle.
Because
Because when I work, most of the time when he come in tired and all in a lingerie.
I believe you because it's been a while we've been hooking up and
And he not ask you nothing.
no, I can feel it because every time I go there, I feel like I'm going to a
You
needle.
understand? Yeah.
And I like that.
We look at that today, so you know, so we can't really do nothing.
So here what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to give you my card, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to give you a card so you might feel it's a company you're working
A card?
for. Yeah, for just one time in the meantime. Because that card, I can't scratch.
Okay.
It's not really my car, but you can get it to drive around.
Yeah.
And the next day again, I have a lot of meat that's coming in supplying, so you can start the fridge with that so you feel like you're spending money. Because we have a system where some of the goods truck man them with the meat product, they always teeth some meat, you know. So when them teeth it, we get some out of it. But the thing is, we'll get it for buy cheap, so you feel like, yeah.
You get it by the bulk?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So then teeth you can sell cheap.
Alright.
So you can stock it and it's the daughter will stay in her house as long as possible.
No man, because she eats a lot, right? And I'm tired of mackerel and rice and those things. No?
So that's your feet for up
Yeah, every day.
Sure, baby, you can see me have a house and every next house, so it's a renovate. I eat mackerel and rice.
Alright. Tell you the truth, him get paid fortnight. And when him get paid fortnight, we have to take him money and put half it to the bill because water bill and light bill not cheap. Right? And the fridge are deep freeze.
Well, I don't believe you, but you know what I try to tell us, you know. Just do what I tell us, that will work. But before you do so, let's go into the bedroom, work out something,
No
give me some
problem.
cash and the card and everything you sort out.
And
Just, you
I
know.
can get the car today?
No problem. And then you go home and give the good news.
Come here, when you come. Oh, you have it already. Bring it come. Here's some cup. Alright, sit down, come on, talk to you about something.
Could I what this now?
So, me talk about my work. And you, me like how me a work. And like how me a go work now. Me want you stay home and just take care of your daughter. Me don't want you go nowhere. Understand me? You must just cook, clean, take care of the house, me carrying food and buy every little thing. You don't have to do anything else. And me don't want you go up on the road. You just stay here and take care of the house. You understand me?
How about this?
What do you mean?
So, are you the man?
You're not the man, but a lot of men would like to be in your position.
That a worthless man.
I'm the boss lady of the house.
That is when.
Me have a manager work. And me don't want my man up and down. You just must clean up your house and do your little cooking them because me not really can't cook.
Like how you are the manager now. For whatever place you want to work, you're the manager. Employer, helper. Because money turn up it seems.
Why you want me employ one helper and you the here?
I am in a job.
No, me want you leave your job because your job not pay no money.
So you go pay me. And make sure I get a pay stub.
B, you pay. Don't worry about money. You're going to have everything. You're not going to short on nothing. What you like?
Alright. I'm going to stay home.
You love smoke cigarette? We can buy the crate, buy the pack for you.
Alright. I'm going to stay home. Good?
Yeah.
Beg you 100,000.
What you want 100,000 for do?
That's enough for your business.
If you're in the hospital, yeah, we get more than 100,000.
Oh, so you wait for me if you're dead?
No, you're not sick. If you're dead, more than 100,000.
Well, let me tell you something now. You see, as long as I'm here wear the pants, you're going to employ a helper. So me pay half or you pay half?
No, me don't want it like that.
Remember, we have a daughter.
I want her to stay here with her father because my work, me come in 12 o'clock at night time, right? I mean, now come in the morning time and maybe sometime we are going to spend like overtime. Someone you stay here and watch her because she get big now. I mean, I want she go out go do anything.
Employ one security.
Why me employ security and you there here as a father? Just quit the job, B, because you not get no heap of money.
So make you not quit for your job. And you stay home.
And how me pay for this? If me quit my job, how me take care of this?
How you used to pay for?
We used to scramble. I be a mackerel and rice we used to feed pan. Them the days are done.
But mackerel and rice make you look good though.
You know what? So, where I tell me say, you know like the steak them in the fridge. And the heap of fish them and something when I buy.
And you notice me not eat none because I don't know how it come.
Oh, so you want to go back to mackerel and rice days?
Mm-hmm. And you not take no man money, mind me.
Man money, I work me, I work. I'm a hard working girl. Let's see every day I go out.
3 days now. 3 days. Today are Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Steak, oxtail and all these things come in our fridge.
My job cover those things.
So how when you get paid? Every 3 days?
I get paid by the month.
Hey, so how them they reach in our fridge?
Because I have my card. I can just draw.
So all along, you did have card?
B. When we start work, the second month when we start work, them give me my business
And 3
card.
days now you start work.
So the second day I start work, I got my business card.
And a 3 months again.
Stop.
Something alright.
Stop put words in a mouth.
Something alright.
Like you do something, you know. Look here,
Are
stop
you-
straight from the point.
Are you do
We
something?
just want you to stay here and keep the place clean and make sure say we little girl don't go anywhere. Understand me?
Well, I don't know if you do domestic work.
So if you take care of the place that is domestic work,
I don't know if you do domestic work.
so you tell me say, you're not gonna do this? That you try to tell me say? Why you try to
It
cause an
easier.
argument?
It's easier I go.
You want to leave?
Yes.
So if you want to leave, me not hold you back.
But me not gonna leave my daughter. I carry my daughter with me.
You want to take my child? I'm
No,
going.
and my child. Both of us child.
Look here, just stop cause argument right now. The morning too early for this.
You two demands in.
I'm the boss lady of the house.
Okay.
I'm the caregiver.
Okay.
My job when me get is a big niche work.
My fly too high. If you fly too high, you know.
You remember days when that time we used to have to drink? Now we are drink cranberry juice.
Hold on. Stop a minute. You ever see one plane take off at airport? And when it passes it, flight attitude, you see what happen? Appear dead people come and go.
Listen, when
So my drop boof. Because you fly too high past your latitude.
me not depend on high house, but I just feel good because I have a nice work and I get a nice income. You understand me?
How much you get a month?
That is not your business.
That's my business. Because you don't have how much me that get a fortnight. I mean tell you, so I can't tell my fear figure.
Listen to me. The little money we used to get a fortnight, not in a compared to what me I get. You understand me? That is triple what me
Alright,
get.
you used to get 50,000 a fortnight. Give me the first 50,000.
Why me need to give you money and me tour with the here when we spend $50,000 put in at the house. You understand?
So if I want ice mint, me fi come and ask you.
No. Yeah. Money right now, I sure say $5,000 per dress I put from last night. If you want anything to buy, or if your little girl want anything to buy, she can buy it.
What is $5,000?
You know what is $5,000?
You know what you have flask of rum?
I don't support rum drinking.
Right. That's why me I do my work.
You smoke or you drink. It's either one or either. I cannot support the two of them. Me buy a cigarette already, I can't buy a rum.
So me not go drink then.
You can drink B, but just calm down for the drinking. Let's see your belly get too big.
But you did sell, so you like the seesaw though.
That was then. This is now.
Oh.
I've changed a lot.
Oh. So me the yard boy now.
Why? It's like you're so difficult. Every little thing I'm talk, you just have something to put back in my mouth. Huh? God.
Have a good day. You're going to get a surprise here?
Babes. How you at church, so?
Tired, man, tired. Oh, God.
Right there, business. Why? Business too hard. I forget you have a man. I'm in a mood.
Who?
In a mood. Come
What
on.
the fuck on? Just relax some money.
You mean me for relax? I'm in a
Get some money,
mood.
man. Just get some money.
So now hit me I do. Get up, come in the bedroom. Come on, come in a mood right now. Come on.
Tired, man. I'm tired, man.
Get tired?
You exercise today too much.
I want probably to lose weight.
No, you know, exercise to lose weight. Sometimes the fat can grow inside of you, you know.
Oh.
So you have to just burn out all them.
So, alright. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to go bed. I got my bed.
Alright, me I go. Oh God, what a wickedness. Ooh. Jesus. Run.
So Daddy, how you not gonna work today?
Today I'm a day off, you know. But come on, girl, come sit down. It's right, I know. Daddy not go work again, you know. Your stepmother sent me off for work. She say anything at all I want, me fi just tell her. So you say anything you want, you fi just tell her. Listen me, and listen me good. As a matter of fact, I go clean out your ears, because I don't want you to hear what I say good. Go and go clean out your ears and come back. You see bicycle you tell me say you want? When your stepmother come, tell her say you want a bicycle. Remember when you tell me say you want to go a plane because your friend them parents can then go a foreign? You fit tell her about it. Yeah? You see that deep freeze? You see all of them eat the way you see this steak and beef and these things? Me never buy none. No eat none. But I don't know how she get money by them, they breed of meat there. Half a cow and hen sitting there. You never see that yet.
So, what kind of work you do?
Well, you ask a very important question. But are they wrong? Somebody as she have to ask. 3 days now. And so many things coming in. You know, see, you can't wish she all drive. So, read between the lines. Anything you want, ask her.
Oh, why you really out here tell the little girl say? Huh? Why you access stepmother? Oh, so means no more a mommy. Means a stepmother now. You're out here put things in that little girl mind. Huh? I talk about how she don't eat none of the, something in the fridge. Fix up the argument good. Why you really tell her say? Huh?
Hold on there. When I work yesterday, the fridge is empty. I come in last night, the fridge full. Me sure know say me leave here yesterday, you know. And the fridge is empty. So how the fridge full?
Me don't tell you say my workplace give me a card when I can just go in at the supermarket and take up anything what I want. The workplace I will cover it. Huh? How much time I have to repeat myself over and over and tell you the same thing again? Huh? Your ears so thick enough. My workplace give me a card. Huh?
By the way, let me ask you something. What kind of work you do? What's the name of the establishment? Come in one call for your boss, ask him what kind of job.
No, my boss don't speak English. He's a Spanish man.
Well, me know if you say agua. That
Look
is
here, let me
water.
tell you something. He don't really communicate with outsiders. Understand? Because
I'm too black.
he's a very busy man. And I don't want to interrupt him for foolishness. You understand me? It's an agency I work.
What kind of agency?
Look here, it's a low profile agency.
That's so like yeah, go around and kill people, low profile. So when you kill people, you stay low.
It's a new company, babes.
Wait name.
Them deal with some.
Wait name.
B. If I tell you this, it's between me and you and you can't tell anybody else.
So like we in a lodge now. Yes, go ahead.
It's called Raffled Agency.
Oh. So we are raffle.
Raffle around prizes, like if you want a house, car, those things we do. You understand? We ship them from Panama, other country.
So you ship house too?
We don't ship house.
Oh, you just tell me if you want a house also.
If you want a house, we can get it for you. You understand me? But we ship other things.
Such as?
B, I must not explain my work.
But you're not going to ship what my daughter do, you know.
So, it's your daughter now. It's not 42 of us anymore. Huh? So, because me at work now, you switch up on me. And that's what you try to do. Because me I put in more stuff in the house where you could do. So, you catch bad mind now. Don't tell me, say, my work when me I do, I go mash up into our relationship.
Ask who you want. Miss Perfect is here.
Why are we arguing for her little daughter?
We not argue, you wanna argue?
Mommy.
This one?
You want a bicycle?
No problem. You can get anything you want. You're my girl. Anything you ask for me, I can cover that, okay? I got you.
Remember, say next month, holiday. Remember the trip that talk about? Ask Miss Perfect.
She can go on it. Why you calling me Miss Perfect?
No, you say your name is Perfect?
Yes. But
okay.
You can call me B too.
Mommy.
Yes?
I go on a plane because I see my friend and mother take them on plane and so I go on plane.
Don't worry. The three of us will go on plane.
No me. No me, I'm afraid of height. So I sit low.
Why you try to do this? Why you try to make me look bad in front of her daughter?
The yana no go on.
Don't, your father, he's just going through a rough part right now because he loses work. And
I don't lose no work here. She tell me say me not fi work. So, every fortnight more 100,000.
Listen to me. Because the work that I do, I don't want him to work because I'm making enough money that can sustain the family for a good period of time. You understand me? So he don't have to work anymore. I love your father so much because he take care of me before I got this job. You understand? So I just want you to relax now, B, and let me cover everything.
Alright. Me not go work. You hear? Me not go. Me go be the yard boy, you know. So it's when you come from school, me go wash your uniform, me go enjoy, me go press them, me go clean your shoes, me go clean your mother's shoes, me go press her uniform for go to work, me go wash her car when she drive in. Everything. No worry yourself.
That's more like it.
Yes, man.
You
But
see,
I
no
want thing
problem.
me I tell you. I want thing me I tell you. No make my pocket broke. You're in a problem.
Look
I'm
here.
serious. And yes, when time and my time, and me go a road, no call my phone.
You don't.
This when you there work, me not call your phone.
You can call
This
my
when
phone
me go a
at
road,
work.
no call my phone. Me no want to hear what you do at your work. You no want to hear what me I do at road.
B, you don't have no reason to go on road. I've stocked up the place with cigar, rum, a lot of things. It would.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, as long as you say me not fi work, well, me not work. Me fi go a road, go look for my friend them.
Which friend? Woman you want go road go look for?
Me have to go look for my friend them. Me have to
Which
still
friend
stop
them?
and play domino.
And if I buy a domino table and put it right here.
So I want me to go play domino.
Yeah, and your friend them can come. But you not go on road, go look for no woman. You think me an idiot?
Me a female friend that can come here.
No. No woman can come in my house. Our house.
Oh. But man can come to you though.
B is you I love. I will never look for another man. Never.
So why you feel say if me go a road, me go look for another woman?
Because you're a man.
Oh.
A man can't keep them something in them pants.
Excuse me, I argue with your stepmother right now.
Go in there, so give me a little privacy.
And cock up your ears.
Go into the room and lock the door.
So me ask you sitting there now. I'm going to give me a good answer. So just like how my sitting can't turn up, face sitting can't jump.
No.
Oh, so you not eat salt?
When me a cook, you see the food them salt, the food them fresh. Because I only have feelings for you.
Eh? Sometimes we hear now what we see.
Listen, I know this made me feel bad because me tell you say we stop work, but B me tell you for your own good because me don't want you to go work and you go drop down on the job or anything. My work is just an office work. I just stay behind the computer and type all day. You understand me?
Mm-hmm. I mean, if you just stay home and look at things all
yes.
day. Oh, so me still employ.
No. You're getting it wrong. Our daughter here, she's getting big. She wants a father to stay here. When she come from school, they can be here. You understand me?
But
if the two of us are working, when she come here, who's going to stay here with her? And I don't want to hire any stranger to come.
Who used to stay here with her?
Her auntie.
Okay, so the auntie then.
I don't want to bother her because Miss Mom.
So like how you in a big job, pay the auntie. You don't have to give me nothing. Me will go work. Pay the auntie.
She have her boyfriend. You think someone want to bother her every minute? Right?
I work, she work.
Listen to me. She have her own job. She work in the supermarket. Although if me hire her, I will get more. You understand?
That's why if you
But
hire her.
you don't have to work. You just stay here. Because
Alright. Me go stay here. Count with me. Me go cook. Me go wash. Me go clean. What again you want me to do? Me go sweep up your yard.
yeah, because the yard
Me
right
go
here.
empty rubbish.
Yeah.
Me go wash plate.
Yeah, I'm a panty them too. Make sure I wash them.
I did you want dead.
What you mean?
Who go wash your drawers? Me?
So where them?
Me?
You not wash my panty them,
No.
so you gonna wash my clothes them all for panty them pile up?
Yeah.
And then you will take them off?
No. And I'm here to take them off. When last you give me sitting?
The work, my work have me busy.
Right, so my hand them busy too.
So you're drifting from me slowly now.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
You know what is shoot? Yeah, my daughter left here.
Video. What?
Yeah, my daughter left here.
Left where?
Here.
You must be joking. I can't leave here.
When you come look over, you go see her.
Listen, B, just stop. Make me look bad now.
Me say.
I love you so much. And I can't do without the two of you guys. Because the two of you guys make my day. You understand me? But from me get this work, I'm going to tell about the work. And me start by something. It's like, we should have worked. So you love when you used to day here every day and just looking in your face? You don't want to uplift myself?
No. You feel uplift. But guess what? See, some man are not going to do certain things.
Alright, you don't have to wash my pants today.
No one will tell you, I'm not clean the house.
So,
A helper used to come and come clean the house. So I can't want time back here.
because you don't want nobody with against my husband and my little daughter, you understand me?
Oh,
Especially,
somebody there with the helper.
no, remember say me not coming for now. When me come in, you not gonna be sleeping, you understand me? I don't want nobody here, but I say I have a lot of money in the, especially the top job. I have a lot of money in there. So I don't want anything to be missing.
Alright.
And I have to go to bed and something right now.
Alright. Have a good day.
Listen, just think about what I'm saying. Understand?
Me think about it long time, even before you mention. Time to move on.
Friend. Wow. Yeah, man, you can have to be here, man. Yeah, it's on dinner.
If you're there,
You have to there to get some dinner.
so it's not going to reach you.
You have to reach. Maybe just come to me give you some dinner.
Oh, you can't come. You're not saying you can't take a lot.
Let's prepare some dinner for you.
Yeah,
You're still finding two man and sleep.
Things of stay clean and me have to, you know.
Alright.
I don't know the joke there.
Alright, man. Let's know what that's all week. Alright.
So breeze blow here now.
Yeah, no, so I look food me, I look and then I see it too, so that's why I come up here.
Why? Miss Hype. Tell me say you know for working on me for stay in here.
Yeah, so a long time you see you come play that music.
So me fi stay home, look after her daughter, and she will take care of all the bills.
Why? That's so good. You wish me to have a somebody would tell me that good.
No, sir. No, sir. It's when you work, you're independent.
That's true.
No depend on say if you shut everything, drop boof.
That's true.
Me no inna them there sitting there. So you are me have to find somebody.
Makes sense, you know.
Yeah, me not stay and turn no yard boy for nobody.
But a young man that say you say nobody.
Listen me man. You gonna tell your man say to stay home and do work?
Yeah, sir.
Then she said something alright.
That can't alright, brother.
Something
That man
alright.
have to work
Thank you.
and provide for you, man. So
Thank
that
you.
can't alright.
Sitting around. Sitting around. But as old time people that say everything, every bucket will go well, one day the bottom will go drop out. So
But
we will
that's true.
soon see.
You know, if everything come down already, and I remove and drink.
No, sir. Me say me not fi drink, so no rum not there.
No, sir, so woman I control for your life.
Ah, Tio. So me not free again.
No,
Me
sir.
there in prison.
Me don't know you like, me don't know you as that type of person. Yeah, so I don't understand what I want here.
Well, when you see me is perfect, ask her about it.
You have to ask her about it, because it's not right. Can I do this?
No, sir.
It changed, man.
Me tired.
And now I don't work and hustle
Alright.
and whatever. So, wow, one.
Well, I'm Miss Perfect. I forgot to tell you all go on.
Why? Today I look for food too, because I now cook today.
Yeah, man, me a cook, man. You can't get.
Alright, me there I lay down a little bit because I don't know where to go. And I
Alright.
cook today, you know.
Alright.
I have a friend like that, and me normally come over here.
Alright. Go and take care of this, man.
Alright, that is it, man.
Yeah, man. Go and take care of this.
No problem. Everything is under control. The house are renovated. Yeah. Oh, hold on. I gotta call you back. No problem. So I go. So everything starts out. Everything I say.
Yeah, man. I'm cool. Him believe me. Him say, him did kind of have a problem with it first, but me explain with him and say, look here. Your work now make no money, understand? Sometimes I me the manager.
Oh, you're smart. Oh, you know, you're smart. Right now, to where your son, you can't put trust on my ex.
Well, you know, I'm very convincing. So once me start talk to you, you're gonna believe me. You understand?
Yeah, come soon down in mind. So see sometimes you see me done with that because I do papers me away from the country in a cause me I work on the divorce and filing.
Oh.
So it's when it's done and complete, we go sign her out of the house and make she go live in the next house so she won't have them 2 houses. Yeah. So, you know, fret about that. If anything you have, any problem you have, you don't worry about that. If you don't want to believe you, you can't even move up. But now, you can't move in yet. Until we start out everything. Since when we start out everything, then you can, but for now, you can check me every day because you tell me to your work.
Yeah.
So we can just go and boogie down and we just enjoy ourselves and just give what we can give and things. But you don't really believe that you're coming with big money because not only the Wi-Fi bill and the light bill are cheap and the food when I first start cheap.
Yeah, but we always tell him say, we don't tell him how much money exactly I get. But
Good car, we don't share how big money will come sometime. So any little money come to the account, we dry and give. So I don't want to overdo it.
Yeah.
Come and try to be honest to you. I like you and I see you from the first time I touch you.
Okay.
I say yes. Hold on. Listen, me tell her say the file in the work, man. I want you. Listen, me man. No worry your head, man. I'm brown in there. Yeah. All right. Love you too. Love you now.
Ex?
Yeah, man.
They still save her as my sweetheart?
You want me to delete it?
No.
No, man. I told you. Alright, me do it. No, you have no problem with that. Anyway, so, you're resting now. Come on, we can go over here tonight with them. I'm going to do them, man.
That was nice.
I tell you, just go. Time to go home now, you know.
Yeah.
If you ask that question, you just think to leave early still, so.
Alright.
I
Take care.
Yeah, man. Good. Oh, God, boy. I'm being a bad boy.
Babes. How you at church, so?
Tired, man, tired. Oh, God.
Right there, business. Why? Business too hard. I have to get you from there. I'm in a mood.
Who?
In a mood. Come
What
on.
going on, man? Just relax some money.
You mean for relax? I'm in a
Make some
mood.
money, man. Just make some money.
So now hit me I do. Get up, come in the bedroom. Come on, come in a mood right now. Come on.
Tired, man. I'm tired, bro.
Get tired?
We exercise too much.
I want to to lose weight.
No, you know, the exercise to lose weight. Sometimes the fat can go inside the you know.
Oh.
So you have to just burn out all them.
Something right. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to go bed. I got my bed.
Alright, me I go. Oh God, what a wickedness. Ooh. Jesus. Run.
Chan Star. It's a good thing come over here, you know, because food tastes good. I will put in that the food, I wonder what kind of seasoning you use, because when I use a recipe there, you know. They are full, a long time I really not full, you know. Yeah, I think come out and tell me what seasoning you use, because it's nice. Yeah, wait. Boy, food nice, and a long time for belly no food, so you know what kind of seasoning you use, I can buy it.
All purpose, man.
Bruh, food nice, man.
All purpose. You have to season it down to the bone, you know.
That season more than down to the bone right now. That nice.
Yeah,
So very well full, we can hardly walk. I tell you to
give God thanks, man.
I'm here, man. So I do it now.
Boy, me for there now, I wait for the little girl to come. Cause that me I get paid for the babysit.
Right, you don't babysit there now.
Don't babysit.
Why? I want good money have to, you know, because she have work in her work, but we think some man for work to have them.
Thank you. So all I can tell me about me feel wash, me feel cook, me feel clean. Then if you have so much money, employ a helper.
Well, they're right still, but through my father and things, that's why she had to do that.
Me have to go a road to enjoy myself. Right now you come like a prison me there.
You know, we ask still.
Yeah.
Right now, I used to working or something. So.
Thank you. Come like a prison me there.
No, we ask still, but the food me I tell you, man. Because full of fret. No, man.
No man, I can't come here and come cook for you, man.
We have to start come over here on Sunday day.
Mm-hmm.
Because we like, you know, so we like come over
Daddy,
here.
I'm ready.
You say good evening.
Evening.
Good evening, man.
He's my good friend. Yeah. So you come from? Oh. Alright, me never talk, so you can't go in and you see nothing. Yeah? You see nothing.
I see nothing.
Good.
Yeah, right. I would have
I'm my daughter.
She's nice too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm smart to grow up in the right path, you know.
Alright.
A nice good girl, man.
Mm-hmm. But Lord, the mama boy.
I want your mother, man.
The mama headache. But the brownie no me go take up. It come like I say, worse.
John was that.
Hey. Me have to be careful how me talk. Me have to be careful how me walk. Hey, let me tell you something, man. Ever hear them say everywhere you go, make a joke, yo?
Mm-hmm.
Everything me say in this house is a joke. Everything me do is a joke. And that me I go through right now.
So how long you now work for?
Just 3 weeks now.
Oh, man,
That's
that
how you
long,
know
man.
see me.
That long because I know you don't normally at work. At night time you come play that me know something. So I don't understand what I want. That's why you make man take over your life, brother.
There's nothing to do. More than watch the floor.
Anything you say, no, but I don't think it's right, you know.
No, sir. I have to go move on.
You have to do the right thing, you know. Anything, you know.
How about you, sir? So, how was she?
My friend.
What you mean your friend? What me tell her? Say, me tell her, me don't want no woman here.
Me not really like man, you know. So happy woman friend me keep.
So, you not call me? I make me know say you have one over here?
So me ask you a question. I prison me there. That's if me I get visitor. The water, you know.
You want to bring woman coming at my place? Eh? Hey,
Yeah.
man.
No, brother, I'm just a little friend, man, and we are reading about something. I want
Just what me I talk about.
that me I talk about. I
They
see a
give
thing
them
we are
a
reading
friend.
about. Like me I say,
You must
be a man
report.
friend of you over here.
Mhm. As
No,
if
sir,
me,
that's how it go,
you
man.
know the man where.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
man.
me not in that.
So, me can bring man come over here too. No problem. When me bring a man come over here, just know say I'm my friend.
But on there, me not happy from bring a man, you know. But it's when you bring a man, you're right, you will.
So, you want a woman coming at our house. I be must just sit down
And
with
you
him.
know this is space.
So what me hear your mum about? If you say me not turn up this how long I hear you? What you chat about? Me a idiot.
What we are talking about?
Me not hear you chat about you have to go move out or something.
Me say me have to go move out the something to clean out the place from corner to corner. Now that you hear.
You there find you look at the place there. What you there do?
Sit down and chat. What again you want to know?
I be a disrespect to get up on you know. Be a disrespect me I get. From start work and provide is like a something bad me I do. Eh? Me out there work off my butt. Just to have something for you and your daughter. Because I love it to her uno. I am so ungrateful enough. For there sit down and chat me with girl. Eh?
How you call girl?
I don't me I wonder to watch her. She out her.
Talk me in my mouth.
No, she out her she pass her place.
Me call a girl. Talk me in my mouth.
You know, you say you have fear place.
Look here, leave my place.
Oh, if you're bright enough to come take me up, you're not easy. We are talking about. Let's go.
Look here, tell a friend to leave my place.
Are you not talk?
Leave my place, girl. You have to take police to come take me off my premises, because I'm not left. Me and him man just a reason about something that you can't take it serious. Are you woman? You can't take it personal road.
Well, if you give me a me, we take her.
Okay. Alright. Just no say any day.
Yeah, you will talk.
Yeah, man, me I left your man because I don't like your problem, you know. I know what she depend on, brother. If you're a woman now. I left your man. What that today? And if you really sit down here with woman in front of with daughter? Huh? What was that today?
Check in her room.
Joy! Your father really bring woman coming here?
You see anybody?
Come here to me. Come here.
You see
Come
anybody?
here. Come here.
You see anybody?
Why your father there with woman?
No, me when you come sit down here, so. Okay. And I mean when you come back now, come sit down. Ask her with the woman.
So who just sit there so? I don't pee.
You look so.
Don't play with me, you know. Don't play with me. I'm here provide for you, so now. I'm the perfect lady. You know, if you have nobody else to talk to. Go in your room. Go in your room.
Eh?
Go in your room. Me and Mama
things them in there.
What you talk about?
Because we're not giant bully business. So we are
Look
leaving
here.
the place.
Me can't believe say me there I have fridge, pack of food, money in there, so I have bring woman coming out place in front of our daughter.
You see woman? She pass her, she not see nobody. Me sit down here so me not see nobody. So you want say, how will you look pan?
So I'm mad.
Alright, show me the woman.
A girl just sit there, a back answer me, tell her say, leave my place. And you
You
can
know say you get mad. You get mad, you know? Imagine you come see me sit down here so. You tell me say me a woman did out here so. What the woman there?
me an idiot. Don't you see any day. Me can man come here, just know say a ghost me walking with you here. Me not play them games there no. Me not play them something here.
You see no woman come here so? Oh.
Come here, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. You're laughing. It's a joke.
So how you see woman and me
Come
not see that
here.
woman there?
Oh, your programmer.
A computer?
Come try. Me love you. Me go out there work off my ass to provide for us. I there have girl there to sit down and then come and tell me say nobody there sit down there. So me an
You know
idiot.
what? You know what? Let me go look for my thing in the house. Excuse me.
See us.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Oh, the delivery truck guy. You hear what? My fiance, yeah. She's the one that have the upper hand of everything. So I'm going to call her and let her know that you guys are on the way. So alright, you more you know the door. You see, want to take out somebody, meet them and put the just put it in some bag. If my fiance asks me where I meet for, tell them say for the children in the ghettos make care of me. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Bye bye. Take care. I'm gonna text you the number.
Tell her this now.
How are you?
Me go up there, go see my man, woman sit down. And then he might make me look like an idiot. I say a ghost and even daughter. I pick up for him, right? I'm a lover like a my child. And the girl just in there right there, so. And he must say there was nobody still there.
No, listen, this way you have to understand now. You have to understand the facts, you know. If him pretend like he's smart, you allow him, you pretend like you're fool.
Yeah.
You have to use to the game.
Some tell him say, if him see me with somebody, just know it's a ghost. Because there's no way we can come and see somebody sit down right beside of him, and then by the time we go in, They even got in, me and the girl even catch up in a conflict and a curse, right? And then she even say, if me touch her, she gonna do this to me.
No.
And he send the girl in yard, and then when me a talk about it, he must say, nobody never did here. When me call him daughter say, she don't see nobody neither. So they might work with each other and me do everything for them, you know? If you like to never let me.
Listen, shh. Yeah, you can't let me, but shh. Listen, just pretend. You should have just pretend. No matter create no argument because you do the same thing but in a different style. So you just make it bypass. You should have even say, oh, you ain't see nobody with you. My brain they hallucinate. You play the game, you don't see nothing. As simple as that. Just go home and rest your brain and then we talk about it. When you come back tomorrow to work, which you think say work. But anyway, we kind of have some things that will deal with me and some delivery truck that come and right now it's kind of dangerous. So, check me back tomorrow.
Alright.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Alright.
Take care, yeah, sweetie?
Alright.
Ooh. You put yourself in a large problem now.
Daddy, I see Mama coming from last night.
Why? You know, come in, like him a do a double.
From she come yesterday and the argument happened and she go back, me no see her come back.
Well, she must know, you know, what kind of plan she have, or what kind of work she do, or what kind of double she do. However,
What you mean by
me
double?
no want to get involved in all that.
What you mean by
So
double?
go on in. Me no want to get involved. Me know what me I do, she must know what she do.
Aye.
Yeah, man. You know, bet that trouble you.
So, don't worry, man. House and work for now, everything at 2 hours, you know, so we at 2 hours. So.
Okay.
As soon as possible, when everything done, we have all of that settled down where you can move in and, you know, my finance with money and I give my car to go and use and
Yeah, man.
give my car to go and drive, but, you know, so we have to take it back a little while. So,
Yeah.
you know, fret about that.
No problem. Car, you know, say, I want a nice car, I love it.
Yeah, man, it's nice.
Yeah,
Nice
man.
and sweet.
Drive good.
No cafe there.
I'm a boss this year. Come here. Oh, where you do out here so you want? Huh? Your father is supposed to watch you.
No.
Why make you walk up and down on the road?
So me go buy and come back. No cafe there.
I'm at work. This is a break. This is my boss. Nice to meet. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And listen me. Don't tell your father about this. You understand me? Because you know how him get. You don't want him to create the wrong picture or anything. So just say you don't see me. You understand me? I'm not.
Blind.
Yeah.
Are you alone there? Right here, sir?
Yeah, man.
Go on.
Good. Oh, she's a lovely worker.
So how me not see nobody here? How me not see nobody here?
Girl, go on. Let me talk.
Okay,
But
but as well, me ask you right now, in life, well, at the best thing I tell her do, she have work there right now. I think you should left
yeah.
and tell him say
Yeah.
you left work early. Wait,
I'm
don't move.
blind.
Do not move
You
until
wait
she
till
left.
she go on the can.
Then move until tell him to come off work early. Yeah,
Alright.
take care. I'll be around.
Daddy.
Hmm?
You know where mommy gone?
Work?
Work. Me see her down the road a hug up with man. But work.
You sure?
Me sure, cause me have the picture right here.
Show me. Yeah, kid. I work, she there, man.
Tell me see her work now.
I work. I work, thank you. I don't let you know, so you tell me.
But me say me not fit tell her nothing. So no call me name. Alright. Me a go in.
Yes.
You're living the best life. What you cock up a bun curve here.
How you did it?
No work, babes, to come off early.
Me?
But they do some overtime. So that's why I'm never coming.
You know, so me see you do. So how the money down the road I go?
You need down the road that hug up nobody.
You sure?
Me even did down the road, babes. What you talking about? How you come and accuse me about me the down the road that hug up, man? You see me down the road that hug up, man, babes?
You tell me, say me fi see and do and see.
Why not you trick you?
But me know say, me not blind.
What you see me,
Mm-hmm.
me in this dress and this hair.
Yes.
I hug up, man.
Yes, getting secure. You go as far as long as that.
So when you are the pan road, let me ask you something. When you are the pan road,
That enough for your business.
babes,
For your business. No, babes, no go babes, the man with that hug up.
look here. I didn't even go down the town to show you. I took a cab, and the cab leave me out there, and I came here because the car is in the garage right now. Right? Seal it, seal up. Understand? So when you say I am down the road,
I never you.
no, must be a ghost or somebody else, but it was not me.
So I never you then.
I'm a working girl. I don't have any time to cheat.
How this?
Where you get this here from?
How this?
Not try to bribe me?
Me say how this? I know you.
That's not me. If you did see my face on that, then you would have seen me, but that
All
person
right.
stand up from the back. You can't
All right.
see me.
All
When
right.
I see him dressed, but
Alright. So, you see the purse way in the back. So I who that now?
babes, that is a side shot. That is not my face. Maybe we have the same hairstyle or somebody try to bribe me. What you try to do? You try to pin things for me? After me come here and see you with woman. Sit down right here, so. And you tell me, say, a ghost. Huh?
So a ghost me see you with.
Yes. Because,
So, my phone's so powerful that just I take ghost picture now too.
yes. Because that is not me. Somebody, maybe look here, babes. It's not one blue dress make. It's not one hairstyle.
Alright. I'm going to cut long story short. How for the house?
It's for the two of us.
The two of us name in the house?
Yeah? Half and half this.
You sure?
Look here, I
Make
spend
me go for
more.
the title. And you show me part of it for your name there.
Look here, this house is mine. What you want to do? Run me out of this house? You feel like I spend more than millions on this house.
Alright.
You can't put me
You
out.
nah leave.
Leave, go here.
Alright.
Leave, go here.
Sit down. Sit down.
This is my babes. Let
Sit
me
down.
talk. Let me
Hold
talk.
on now. Sit
Because
down.
that's not
At
me.
your house.
Listen,
At
calm
your
down.
house.
Calm down, calm down.
Sit down.
Where I go? Sit down.
You sit down. Don't move.
Where I go?
Don't move. Here. Don't move.
So what if me have a man? Huh? And my man provide everything in this house.
At your house.
What I do?
Eh? At your... Leave. Oh, Tada. Bo house.
Can't believe you drama shit off of me. Listen to me. Let me confess, kids. Yes, I made it in the video. But me I talk to him because he have money, babes. And I him provide everything in the house. All the fridge stock of food and him buy it, babes.
Stop right there, so. You know, say you alone eat all I meat in the fridge. Me and my people don't eat none. Yeah?
Why? I'm a providing.
Because me no want a man provide nothing give me.
It's not like
You
that.
see the light bill? You notice in that TV cartoon she not watch again? The only thing we do is charge your phone. Because I don't really want to use nothing when a man pay for.
But I didn't know that.
Me
Right?
did know from day one. But me
Listen.
love playful for catchy wise.
Listen, babe, just calm down and just make me go back to normal. You understand
No,
me?
no, no, man, not do that so. When me done eat out a plate, me wash it. So fair plate, wash and done.
Babes, stop that nonsense on my head. Listen to me. Can't just go inside and be that perfect family that we always
Can't
be.
perfect again.
Me
You
know
can't
what
be
we do
trusted.
wrong, but babes, actually have money, and that's what.
Why would him with the money?
Babe, listen to me. Just calm down now.
Why would you with the money?
Come just go in. Come go inside, go talk.
Yeah, you're not going nowhere.
But let's get down to business then. If you're gonna have me up, then the two of us can go stay here.
Alright. You know what nice you know? Go in and see who in our bed. One.
What?
Go and go see who in our bed. It done for me and you. So go and go see who take over. So me never see you, you never see either.
Okay. So you have girl in a little bed.
And you a boy out there so go in a car.
To me little to me how got man you want tell me say. Okay. So this a going from long time from the first them come. I've seen tournament, no say tournament, them assume it.
Just like come here assume you.
And that's why me have to have my man. My man have big house. You don't have nothing. You don't see me driving car. Huh? You ever give me a car to drive? Much as a bicycle for ride? Huh?
The door wide open.
You ever stop the fridge like that?
The door wide open.
You ever give me money? Mother, look here, wake her up. And you're your daughter and she go on out and place.
When are you by the bed?
Alright. Okay.
And don't return.
And my man buy this. And I come back to the fridge and the TV. Right. And make sure say you pay the Wi-Fi bill. And you come back to the box.
Wi-Fi bill that pay before you find man.
Right. You go see me my phone here for you.
Yes.
You gotta come.
So, I think we tell you going to find out if she
Look here, me move out, you know.
What?
Me not stay up there so I'll be a disrespect.
So
Be a
what
disrespect.
is that really infant?
The daughter take picture of me. Right?
What a brute.
And go to show him father. After everything
No,
by that little girl.
but when they say you move out, you move our apartment.
No, my suitcase and the fan will buy me in there. I'm saying I come back to the TV and everything.
You move your suitcase in the house?
Yes, and the fan.
I don't know. You can't stay here.
Babes, maybe we can't stay here.
No, you
You
can't.
say you say we can move in anytime.
No, sometimes a man will say anything to get what they want. You can't stay here.
What do you mean?
A problem if you stay here.
What kind of problem?
You can't explain nothing to you right now. Time ago.
But we don't have no if you go, I'm not going up at the yard.
No, you have to go now.
Then we run to an apartment for stay then.
Then that is if it take a long time, you bring your father your suitcase come. Why you do that?
Because I tell him say I'm going to move in with my man.
No, you can't be a man. Me already engaged.
You what?
Me engaged.
You engaged?
Yes.
So you don't tell me that.
Me can't tell her that. Me engaged, man. Me engaged.
I have to move out of my man ass.
No. Listen. I know my fault, you know. When they get the money, the money they don't feed you.
Look here, we can't tell that.
You just get everything stuck with meat.
Free meat?
Well, we can't eat, no. We can't eat.
Him never eat none, the fridge spoil. The food spoil, everything spoil in there.
We not wrong the man neither. We not wrong him so much meat. Where you come from? Where you come from?
I make me tell him say, how my man this and my man that. And my man buy everything in the house. Make him kick me out of the house. He a jam, mash it, probably could have chopped me up.
I know my fault that because a man need that I need a comfort because my fiance all she do at daytime she work and provide the money.
Look
the
here.
position we are trying to put herself in and that she a do. Our family them have money.
So me a stay. Tell me when me a go stay because me move out of my man house and me don't have no figure.
You know say our mother and father own this house too.
So when you tell me say you own the house and you own car and you own everything.
Man, we say anything, forget somebody apple. You don't understand. How we would have picked the apple if we not telling us our life? If we tell us that we broke right now, me not go get it. If we tell us that me not have nothing, me not go get it. The only way to get a woman fruit is to tell her what they want to hear and boom, she just fly, boom, she enter, boom, she breathe. But you know, breathe is like you take pill for me. So that is the thing we are trying to show you. That's
what me I gonna do? What me I gonna do?
You see, we have to go put you up.
Look here. Find something.
That's it. Look how you put me in now. What you know? Hey,
Babes.
Yeah?
Right now, I'm stressed out and tired out. My left foot early, look, I'm not feeling good.
So your mother and father company, how's it going? Good?
They were great, you know, great.
So, you couldn't normally like, you couldn't take an hour there, 2 hours, you have to come inside again.
Oh.
I know, I understand you ain't have to do all the work in there, but you have to just relax. You know me love you, right? So you need to check up on me.
Yeah.
You should have did that help your mother and father. You know when they're sick, so you have to just go and help them in the
Come
company.
like me, get catch for them sick, come me sick too. That's why I come home early.
Oh Jesus, you're sick for the wrong time, baby. Why did the devil have to send you home them at time?
I'm not even know, you know.
Huh?
Not even know. So you not cook nothing, I'm hungry, you know.
No, I have something to confess to you.
What?
Shh, you don't want to leave the house.
What?
Yeah, well, just relax.
Why did you reach the house?
You have gone, don't go. 100. Just relax, no. That's a really why you come.
Police.
No, we can't call no police. Just go back and walk.
Come here.
Just go back and walk, man. Go back and walk.
Call police.
No, we cannot call police.
He have gone.
Just go back and walk. Go on, baby, please.
So what will happen to you?
Just go on, man. Just go on.
Me not walking up.
No, you cannot go in there. Just go on, man. Just relax.
Listen to me. Me not.
Go on back.
Come, if you listen to this. Come on, please. Come on.
You don't trust me?
You see, there's a thief in the house with gun before you get shot. What me about to know, eh?
No,
Yeah,
wait. Just go on, no. Yeah, she'll come. You can call her to the office, man.
So what you gonna do with the thief?
No worry about that. Go on, go on. Go on.
Alright.
Yeah, go on. Oh, yeah, come on.
Me nah go down. Let me go.
Jamaican, go on.
Me nah go down. You try to put me up.
We can't put
You're lucky. Me nah go down.
man, that's a... Yeah,
I know me man, I'm a brain that you're lucky. And you're gonna make him come for you if you don't put me up.
One, so they do. We don't want no more relationship. It's over. We don't want to lose my...
Look here.
We don't want to
Me
lose...
don't know me set me suitcase. Don't put that for me. Me need some if you go argue me some money now.
Alright, no worry. Baby, come back here. Come back here, yeah. Alright, good.
Brother.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Tell him. You better go on. Come, fiance, I come now.
Look here.
Go on.
You better come beat me up, you know.
I'm in my shape.
Look here. Give me some money, let me go rent somewhere.
Alright, yeah. Me go send some money for your car. Go on, please. Me be a good man. Go on, because I'm going to shop my perfect. Good. So, yeah, sleep. I want
Yeah, go wait. Well, I'm pregnant.
Yes! Lord, the third father, you know, nobody can call me good man again.
I'm making her happy.
Huh?
I'm making her happy.
You're not feeling you. I was happy, baby.
Cool on. For who?
Mine, of course.
No, baby love. What the fuck is going to call her that? You're where? Where? Huh? You know when I said, We can't really ease down back for you. I'm coming for a word. You see that?
Seriously?
Seriously?
Sorry for no me or who else?
You don't have to know that. But watch out now.
So, look how me have been loyal to you, baby, and you cheat.
Yeah, be who? I must say the opposite.
I've been loyal to you, baby.
The time when they play around, you never come here, you never know say come around the house. Me see everything we had. We should come here. Come here, come. Come. Look. Yeah.
Let me confess.
Confess.
No, one night was at my cousin.
No one house. One house.
Cousin, man. Why can't you do this?
I say, nobody man asking me, say, which brown girl you keep on come over yard. And you actually hook up with me go on road. Look how me be so loyal to you. When I ask me 20,000, me get more than 20,000. That is the reason why me cheat and two persons can play that game as well.
No, but you
what?
can't do a man who wants to be a lady. You can do that.
No. No matter of fact.
Because God bet.
Yeah, you know makes at me, makes at you.
What?
And okay. And I say the whole one me go work. What my parents them can want to carry in a girl them in the house. I use it to get my money. You know, so me have it, my people ain't have it. So you play me.
No, I don't play you. I don't play you, baby. I just
me.
confused. The devil was a liar. The devil.
I look like you there, son. So you get it from the father. When you go for your things and leave my place before I call police.
Really, put me out.
I can put you out.
I will never.
You never want. You say I confess and you like at the same time, but because of where?
Why?
Because of where?
So I'm to come over with you.
Not. Just me pregnant now. So maybe the father I will move in by maybe like night or tomorrow.
You see, one woman, you can't do a man who wants still be a lady. No matter if you might put me out now, but another one time put me in. You see, what you do to me, that baby father, they're going to do worse. No worry, don't go feel back.
Yeah, go feed and come on. They be so loyal to you, and you come and do me this.
Don't worry, watch me.
Don't worry at all. Come over to my place.
Watch me. You come here, with me not start for my bag, and we can't find something. I left with the shopping bag, so now ask me for it.
Are we?
You really have put me up to please, give me a chance. I'm confused. The devil was a lie.
More than one time, the girl come here.
Yeah, but look how me big good.
You're big good.
She moving.
Imagine too.
Move her back out there. The same party came around there with the fan and it's okay. Run her back way.
Imagine all the time you get money and she get up. So me, while me I work hard, I want me see you send me back at work. Right? Me I work hard to provide for me and you chat woman in my house.
So what?
In my place. I'm going to
You really want me gone?
Yeah. Go.
So I'm going to take care of you now.
Me have my money and my parents then.
But you can't wash. Remember, you can't wash and you can't cook.
Don't worry about me. My money say more maid, me can't call him. Don't worry about me. See? Go on, that's one. Go on. Don't come back. That's if it matter of fact, black my number. Me done with you complete.
You want me at now? Remember, I know. Miss Perfect. Miss Perfect. Everybody think you're perfect, right? When you're perfect. Even when we cheat one time, you should have made me get a second chance. Everybody deserves a second chance.
Me can't never one time to cheat. Me can't know that.
Oh, you're rolling alone. You don't tell no lie.
Okay. So yeah, come on now. And you're cousin again now. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Go about this. Go on. Me done with this. Me done with it. Go on.
You can't take
One.
it.
No, leave it here. Yeah. And the phone number I never want it back. I'm browning you.
Can't call them TV. No phone.
Okay, go on.
No phone.
Gotta make them TV. Go on. That happen when I want too much in my life. Welcome back to PFS Films, guys.
So tell me what you think about this movie, and tell me what next you want to see, and I will see if I can write a story around it. You tell me, I will watch.
You be the judge.
You be the judge, and I will watch the amount of things you want to say, and then we choose something out and I can do a story around it. But the next thing again, I want to big up Empress G TV. Please, guys, make sure to subscribe. Push her to 1,000 subscribers, please. I beg you, push her to it because she's done a lot. She's gonna help you guys, so please, I beg you. Push it, push it, push it. Yeah, welcome back. I feel like I done the movie too quick. I feel like I finish it too quick. I'm gonna add some things to it, but some of the people they're missing, some of them not there, some of them say alright. We just release it and then we shoot a nicer one, like, you know, the one that we shoot before this year, but thank you for like, share and subscribe, and I respect that, and I like the support I see Empress G I get on our channel because she deserves it, guys. I beg you to do. Just go over there and say Papa is sending her over there because I tell her say she do a lot of things. If you want to learn how to cook certain things, you go over Empress G and just say Papa is sending her over there. Subscribe, but if you subscribe whatever for watch at least 1 minute, and if you want to watch out the video over there, watch out the video before you subscribe. Alright, so but please support her because she help a lot. Now tell her, she help a lot of kids were needy and the people that were needy, and the foundation when I start, she go help on it. So I want to see them kids that go need the help. I want to see them grandfather or grandmother, anybody will need it, because you see foundation when I start, they go and help most of the Jamaican. I don't know how much I can do, but it's named Popeye Foundation. Help if you can. So we go start up everything, or if you start and then let them know, because they know everything will show up on video. Who don't want to see Mel? Come in, talk to the people then.
Hey guys, thank you for all your support. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't reach so far. Keep on share the video, leave a comment. You really have much to say about all. I can't say I love you all. And God bless you all around. Just know say yo, you just want to do it right. God bless. Peace out.
Go on, darling.
When you say me get that the money then?
Why? Anytime you're ready, you know. Anytime you're ready.
Tonight.
I need to go take care of all things. Remember some people say no gas on the yard and the current will lock off.
No, hold on there. You pay the Wi-Fi bill already?
Didn't pay, but you just want to pay again. But we don't worry about that now. Just give me 30,000 and start up and want to start out, isn't it?
Alright, go look in your bag there, so. You say 50,000, take 30 out of it.
You can't take 35.
Yeah, man, go ahead, man.
Let's get back to
But the whole wallet they take up, man.
we left money for you, like 5,000. Don't worry about that.
I assume I love you, you know.
So, when
I'm
you can
go penalty kick again, no boy, you know.
look for me. But let me take money give man.
I don't know.
First of all, I don't have no man. You know, so you're my shoulder from.
Alright.
Let me get man from. You know, so me deal with talk to man like that.
Alright.
So where to feed me?
What's I sit down and I go and look out?
So be work to get some chicken or something.
No, man. Alright.
5,000 I'm looking and if you want for money. So you can at least buy 2 drinks out with me. Because I can't touch this money. The money I take care of bills.
Alright. Don't worry yourself.
Me I'm going to go now.
Yeah, man, go on.
Love you.
Same to you.
You okay?
Alright, baby.
She's early.
Just in time. Good night.
Well, actually, I can come for join, you know. Liz meet Mel and best friend this year, you know.
Yeah.
Me actually come from far and I think we can't put trust in our heart. I understand because we know a long time.
Alright.
But this year I'm a partner, original partner in crime, everything.
Me that.
Understand?
Alright.
So, me that tell you already what we come here for. But we are going to take money from them, man. They have too much money. They don't know what to do with it. You understand?
Time for them to pay you back for everything.
We are going to drain them. And we are going to
drain them pockets.
and we're going to be stinking rich. Remember I'm telling you. But listen me. You have to follow my footsteps and do everything I'm going to do. You see some of them?
Yeah.
They don't deserve it. Maybe I going to feel sorry for them, but they don't deserve to feel no sorry for. They're wicked. Especially the old man here. They want young girls. You want young girls?
Yeah.
You have to pay for young girls.
Pay for.
They think so come cheap.
And then take you all of them young days and worry it out, you know. I want
Listen.
to know.
Them young, them want fresh meat to keep young. So we as the fresh meat, we can't just give them so yeah, you got me? Them have to spend. You see from them now spend, you cut.
Yeah.
You understand? And don't catch no feelings. That's the #1 priority.
Yeah.
Don't get in love. Don't make it sweet and the money trap me. Because that ain't good for. You just go no money. You have to take money from them.
Yeah.
I'm telling you how not do it. If you come today and you say, I want 25,000, 30,000, you wait and I'll go tomorrow. Wait till the next day. You approach them and tell them say, you want more money. You understand me?
Yeah.
So we are going to do it. My sugar daddy when me have, me I going to carry you and me I going to make you chop money off of him.
Alright, I'm not wrong with that. That sounds good.
But you say can manage you.
Of course, we can manage.
But it's mine. You understand? We soon make you get one.
Yeah.
But this is when you're mine, but we just want to try something new with him because through with it long and we don't want him to feel left out.
Yeah.
So we make you go and talk to him.
Alright.
Understand? So but the day when you go there, don't make him know say we must say, you know?
Yeah.
Just act with the flow.
Make you look slip.
She know everything already, you know. She is my professional #1. We have this long time, yeah, she.
Yeah.
But you just come on now, you teach her the ropes.
Yeah.
So we are eat tonight.
50 pizza.
Alright. Well, my sugar daddy give me money, so think we can buy a pizza to eat. Yeah, you order it and come back.
Alright. Stay along, you know.
No, sir.
Alright.
Now I pray. How you do?
No.
How you move, sir?
No.
You must be every time you come in here, like you play your phone, you throw away your phone.
No, man. You know, someone could fly up, but my ears, me just use the phone on us.
Which fly? You go fling your phone off a fly, me a idiot. Every time. What me do? Why you move like one big dirty horse of you?
What you mean horse?
What you mean a whore move them the way they, you know? See them man a come and I fling my phone or I hide phone and see
No, baby, I just want to fly. I ask every time when not more while I'm on my phone and moving me and watch.
I'm gonna spray at your house every minute. What fly you doing here?
There's a window there and you open. More, so more you kill them and more coming in.
You can't just relax yourself and start move some.
Let's chill.
Look out for me, man.
So you have to shop in.
You just come like you want to be one get a girl so me try to change certain style out of you. Why?
Me not cheat. If I think of that, me not cheat. Me not take no other man.
So why you do make every minute they fling with your phone?
Because
So?
I want to fly, but I miss the phone and just kill him, but he end up gone.
I never believe in your rate. I'm going to buy your own phone, you know.
Daddy, what can I make sugar and Maria down there?
I that me fi do, you know.
You can't
And plus, she
fly.
too young to be my stepmother.
I that me fi do because sometimes she just get me grieved with so little dirty style what she have, you know.
As much as that, you're going to make she mash up us. You want to listen to her, you look at me.
Yo, look for me. I'm a blood that, you know.
And your blood, but she don't know what I'm going to be between you.
What you mean? Then you think that she see a share moving her house. The little Gigi Google back to hear them.
Daddy, don't you argument and make sugar and Maria?
No.
That
Alright,
me
and
fi do, you know,
now
my daughter, but you see true. Me have to think about what me really gonna do for the future of us. Of course, me want to unite you say, oh no, they here, so. But you move some way, daddy.
you look
But
like
me
your
don't
dad.
understand.
But you like your dad and I like she don't want me to be his stepmother. Alright, what you know come
Because you're too young to be my stepmother.
You're too young to pass no business.
You see that?
Is it true? Baby, just baby.
You are toe to toe with her, mouth to mouth, chat like
Alright, is it true? Me head in there, so come alone, you know, just father and daughter on the talk, come just put me straight.
You see, if you don't change the style, remember me tell you, know. Remember me tell you.
Yeah, let me take a look walk.
Tell me that, yo. Step up them, man. You see the woman there, you see, man. Watch it. Watch it.
Babes.
Hold on, darling.
Evening.
Good evening.
Liz, meet my baby. Some husband will be not telling her about.
Like him have money, dude.
Yeah, but you know what, I think money more because when you treat me nice, I make me feel like me one nice little young lady. It's best friend I have to tell about this.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Anyways, so I just want to make she come to my place, you know, because she always asks me where she want to know my husband.
Okay.
Always outside.
Can visit anytime you wish, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so we all get feel mingle and you know my style when we come together already, babes.
Yeah, man.
So they'll get to know him more.
Yeah.
Because we'll get free party and we have one next friend and I meet too. But we're not going to meet her now. We go next time.
Alright.
You want to see the motor, so?
You know, it's a famous spot, this, you know.
So you know why not?
Mm-hmm.
So why not?
I've run, but I'm very feel for not drinking right now.
Oh, so, you get my hand?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
What do you want to know?
No money, babes. Remember, say my friend come and she didn't want to go to Popeyes, go buy something to eat and I'm hungry.
Alright, pick up 10,000.
10,000? Me, come on. And me and my friend. 10,000 can't do nothing.
I'm a true man.
So much you want?
Give me 25.
Why no?
Wait, go with the start. Sit down now.
Come over, she sit down, babes. She can't hold. Sit down beside her, I'm afraid.
I'm not afraid.
They give you permission to sit down beside her, my man. Close to you and cozy, make you feel nice. No, we can't hold him down too, you know, I can't touch him. You're not
afraid of me?
No, I'm not afraid of you.
And the girl, them seaside.
Well, I'm gonna get the money and come over. Hurry up. Yeah. So, how are your name?
Me? My name Rufus.
We can take over, you know? Can take it from mom.
No bad, so?
Yes. I mean, like, no bad, so.
So I can't say I go get the chicken.
When she come back.
And you will stay.
I don't mean go. When she come back, I say I go get the chicken. So your belly full and thing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, right.
Now where you eat from, mommy?
What the amount of things that me eat?
So like you have enough money now. Sure.
So, get the money, yes.
Alright, so I'm going to buy chicken and come back now.
So I'm coming here to go buy chicken.
Then you want to
to
the
buy
chicken?
chicken and come now, girl.
You don't follow me?
We'll put
Yeah,
them
man, make
tired,
sure you
man.
rest, man.
I'll go back on.
So come back.
Alright.
Alright. So how much money you can give me? No idea.
Well, we just start talking now, so you have to tell me what you're up to.
450 grand.
Yeah, but you still have to tell me what you're up to.
You can't just make me go and chill and so get to know each other if you get what me I say.
Just like that?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
What do you mean by you not believe me?
You don't even know me 2 minutes.
No worry
I'm
about
going to
that.
just take up 50 grand and give.
Remember say me and you so-called woman friend. Me can run away go nowhere or me. Anyway, I go here.
That's why you run away.
But now I go run away. As me I say, you can't give me 50 grand.
No, sir.
Alright, cut it down to 25.
Yeah, I can get 25.
Alright. I want 25 before I leave you. And before she come back too. If my sister you treat me good, me treat you good too.
So where you live?
I live right down the road around the corner.
Where you call around the corner?
You don't know around the corner down the road?
Whole pa corner down the road.
Around the corner, man. And I really tell mama exact location, but around the corner. But if you really want to know and you're interested in it that deep, how I do plan to come up for me. So you're not afraid the woman kill you?
She not fi know.
She not to know? Your skills, so?
Rough so.
Hope you're not just a talk, you know. Hope I saw you tough and rough.
The rough in the mama go man.
So you can squeeze through them little corner there.
You
sure?
yourself.
You sure? You cannot come
Positive.
through the window?
Positive. So why me that come to you and come through window? You going now open?
You can't.
I can't wait to send it, bro.
I got you, sir. So money. You're not going to lie with you. You're not going to use some money and all that. Yeah. That's it.
Excuse me, sir.
Hold on the bench. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know nobody with the name Michael Jones.
Michael. No, you don't even know that name.
You should know Michael Jones.
No, you don't even Michael. I'm not sure of that.
Alright.
Where you want this for this?
No man, forget that. It's not important. And I let me just want to stop it for still. One little finger taking.
Well, you can't tell you yes and you can't tell you no. I just get on the line. I don't make my finger, I don't make my shake.
Yeah, in between.
I just on the line.
So, what made you start talking?
Well, you don't know how you sure I'm not a gunman or I'm not a criminal.
Oh man, by how you talk and how you dress, you can't definitely not a good man for sure. It's like a woman that can take care of one good.
You can't tell me, man. How my job that? You see, if woman not happy, me not happy. That's a one thing we know about.
That's why if you start talking, I can't be not happy.
You not happy?
No, sir.
How are you?
You want to tell me, Money can run low. Nobody think I should want to pay money, you know, but I'm not happy to say I have no money. But at the same time, this thing I want someone in my life. I want to get a quick care of me. I can't to say, I would do it.
Are you? Since I just single and you know the man, me go
Oh, my number?
you know the number, me go send out your PayPal, I cash up, I Zelle.
I think me have one. I don't know which one for it.
No, if you give me a number, I can type up your friends. Yeah.
355 2652. Need that. Mail.
Mel, Mel, my son TV store, but me work for me.
Oh man, I'm a good girl now. I'm for angel. Send me.
There's no, let me teach you something. All women know. As far as this island, there's no more angel left.
When you're talking about me, I feel.
When the doctor being him, I'm not going to call him, I'm not calling him every time. But he also talk about me every time.
Wait, me put it up.
You?
Put it up. Like a WhatsApp.
Oh. Now when they say up, you mean more than one something, you know, so. We link it on WhatsApp. No worry. You look good though.
Thank you.
I got Western Union, so later I'm here, you the picture. So call you, look.
Alright.
Yes, so as we said, you can jump through the window and then put in there.
So, man, will you do it? I can't walk through the door.
What do you do?
I'm the thief alone go through the window.
You know what? Sometimes you have to come through the
So, you have man down.
Babes, you know what?
They come back so quick.
You didn't even bother get no chicken because my mind just tell me say don't bother get no chicken now. One little birdie tell me say we must come back up here.
How should the brother could have tell you that?
We're in too
And
far,
that
that's why we
is,
come back
I
up
will
here
let
because Liz don't know the place and want to make she go home safe, you understand? And babes, I can't believe somebody left it up so long and you. Anyways, babes, you alright?
Good.
We have to get some money and go get some funny. Come on. Go on down this road.
Alright, tell me, see you.
Yeah.
You know what me I have special, don't?
Yeah, man.
I love me. Check your book, I remember munchie pie. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
Hello. Good day.
Me don't want no good day from you. Okay, you know me don't like it from you.
You can have no manners. You don't have no manners.
Me don't know what my father see in you, you know, if you know, see say, you money you want.
Oh, really? You're too little and enough. But what you know? Me like it though. So my stepmother still have manners. Right?
There's a bit if you have manners to big people. But we can't have no manners to you because
Why not?
you want my father money alone.
So sure about that? You're not so good. You're not so good at all. When they even there? Because of you first, you fuck up and you there around the place?
No, you're there.
Okay. So where there?
No, so. No,
No cook.
no food no there.
Wow, you really have no manners for true. Yeah, like I'm out of call me.
Hello.
Jeez.
Wagwan.
You there?
You know how I talk, you know, sure?
Of course. Me know my loving soon to be husband voice.
Okay, you know, say, we just come from the union, you know?
Oh.
So, I tell you to me, I'll collect a piece of food, you see me?
Yeah.
So, you say, you can link up?
Yeah, man, we can go back at the same place where we just meet up.
Alright, so you hear me out there now. I left the town still and come link you and me go down to my yard and we talk more down there, you see me?
Oh man, that much better.
So, you're going to right now because me come up, you know?
Yeah, man, right now, me at the phone.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Joey! Yes, when your father come, if you have to shop with it, then I'm gonna shop. Okay?
How long we are waiting for? How you go? Tell us if meet me at the place. You can see young one. How much you have right now? How much money you have? Yo, I can get 20 you know. Alright, we get 30, but what about y'all?
Alright.
Yo, what's she there? She not coming yet?
Yeah, she come. But she gone back on the road and say I'm gonna go shop. But the know for sure say I know shop she gone because she get phone call.
Shop?
Yes. But I know it don't look like a shop she gone because she get phone call.
On the road?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow, I can't believe it, man. Not like that, man.
What else?
I got to call it in your eye, you down the yard, man.
Come on, babe. I'm not mom. Look at my mom. Isn't it?
Yo.
No, that's cool. That's chill, no, man. Me the part, you know, I'm ready right now. So when you're up, you know, send me all year.
What you gonna tell me in the early part when they call you? Come to call you down the yard, you know what that means. You just say, yo, can't come because of my mom.
You never know, say they want it today. But when you come off and hit a get you, man, you have my number, you have yours, so when I just come off, I'll be that for you.
Nice, you know, man. Tell me you're gonna hold it for money, you know, man.
Chill, man. The reason I go ask for 30 because I'm sure me and my little sister live. Mother on their own, my father dead. So mother alone, but mother and dad home at the time. So I have to help out my little sister.
Alright, we trust the eye, you know. So what did they do?
You make it know, man. You make it know.
We work fully done in a 2 years tomorrow. So. A weekend now, you know, so most of them done for a weekend.
You make it know still, man. It all depends. There are some female done by 5, some 6, some.
Alright.
Okay. Later.
Later, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, come here, do. Yes. God, have your way, yeah, come here. Woo! Someone is back. Who?
Where you come from?
You know shop me?
Which shop?
The shop on your road.
So where you go get a shop?
Because I want to drink some thirsty and water to refresh right now.
Good drinks. You smell them out.
What do you mean by that?
What kind of drinks you go get? Wait, take me for. Wait, take me for.
Why here go again? Me did thirsty, me want something sweet in my blood, so I just go on the road to buy like juice and come back. Ask me juice.
I say, I come tell me about blood and all of them sitting there.
We drink coffee drinks, dear.
So none of we don't forget none of your drinks. Everything what we go around go buy, you get.
I don't know if I'm never my name and I just go feel France.
Hello, if you buy one bag juice, you get some, she get some, and me get some. So where when you buy your little drinks on the road, we can't get none.
I want to big for it. I want to look small dudes.
So you come and with a selfish dirty style.
I'm not selfish, but I never did. Matter of fact, I never did the arrow. Never did the arrow.
And you try to tell me something don't have to listen to my daughter. And you move them away here.
Well, next time you can drinks for you.
Next time, let her fear talking, man.
Well, next time, man, I can't get
Think
it
good, man. Know yourself, man. Think good here. So this, never feel me. One.
Every time I sit over and look at juice.
Somebody this my daughter.
put this in now.
Want to see you here?
Alright, cool. And you work out being selfish and see you happy.
Good man.
Alright, I'm about dinner.
Good. I mean, I have things to discuss because I understand I most in here. I understand.
That was good. Thanks for the come on. Yes, we'll get me still me. Yes, we'll get me for yourself permanently.
Aye.
But it was really good. And I'm grateful for the come on still. But I know I don't really want the person to come catch me up here. Cause you know if she come catch me up here a different something. So
But make sure no
me I try take for myself.
But make sure no
What do you mean by me not make sure no you think me idiot? Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Yes, look like me see. That's what emergency to deal with. Right now, I need 30 grand to go deal with something quick fast.
No, so me just give my mother some money.
If you don't want to hear that, you must see you happy. Please, look for me. You must see you happy.
Me don't have no money, my friend.
You sure?
You sure?
So, babes, when you get some money? Eh?
Look at the regular spot.
You must see you happy. You don't be, you must see you love me. Alright, this will come.
Yeah.
Yes, bossy.
Wagwan.
One of the house, wagwans.
I'm there, you know.
Wow, we say we look on some journey, boy.
Ah, boy. Just there, go and relax, you know.
You know, say, one girl, one slim girl, I try to rob my friend one day.
Babes, thanks, babes.
Yeah, baby.
Wait me check your back.
Alright. Better wait too long, you know.
Alright.
Mike, I know you want that.
I'm a little young chick, you know.
Yo, them the girl, you know, the power with them the girl.
What do you mean by?
All three of them power. I thief them. Right now, when I'm friend, I try hard to try to scam me wicked.
I lie.
Then after him come, after him dinner. After him come, after him dinner.
So me ask you a question. You ever get involved with her?
Oh, she?
Yeah.
No, not really.
How?
Why you ask?
Because look, must make my blood pressure go up.
No,
And
no.
she tell me say she not no money now.
Listen, them are going to bad. All them think about is money. Listen me. I grew up a team and them a play on them.
Then can't jerk my pocket.
You not take the money off of you.
No, sir.
Make sure because you see
No,
she,
sir.
and them body they use capture man. You know how me and gangster me
Never
come
get a
around.
dollar yet, man.
Me say, alright, one day they what they call me Bell. She,
Me not know her.
my friend, you don't know, maybe not introduce you. I want next one day with boy nose. Lord Jesus, them thief, man.
You look like them thief here already.
No, then try it. But I'm too smart. You see how she quick to go. As you see me? Alright. I become a discover the secret.
No, but she did tell me already, so she not go before you come.
Well, no matter to me what we are trying to put up on your Q and your P.
Alright.
Them,
We're gonna find out.
we must be one, you know. If they really take money out from you, you need to stop it.
Alright, sir.
Cause me have a surprise to one of them already. You know.
Okay.
I have a surprise to
What
one
kind
of
of
them.
surprise?
You know, you tell me say, you want a big old mansion. But, if I call it tomorrow, you know what I do? I write up some paper. Make you feel like I don't win it. I write up some paper. I do some writing when I can understand. Say I rob the bank. And I fire how much shot. and I can rectify to that.
Mm-hmm.
And we make sure you when they rob the bank, we make sure we find some expense shell pole and we just fill it for the paper. So you know, say they run that funny and get knocked. The teachers say,
You're wicked then, man.
Lord have mercy, you really call wicked? To protect my own self?
But you not give her nothing. We say she'll rob you.
Me give her,
So
well, me give her 2 times, me chop it 2 times.
And you not get nothing.
Well, 3 times I not get nothing, so I say.
So a revenge.
I mean,
No, sir. I don't believe that.
you don't believe in that?
She hold you and take what you want. What she want from you. No, you give her.
She use her body like she come and manipulate you and you say yes babes, you feel good and when she put it on the bed for later and then after that you want it gone and then the next day
Oh, you get robbed.
yeah, and then go in Nigeria and take all money.
So make you never report it.
Yeah, put in the case.
Why?
Put it
No
live
robbery?
off of you, man.
What time job?
You know, so you're not focus on the picture I'm trying to show you. They're a highway robber. You need to cut out it.
Alright.
Just put a P in your cube.
Alright, when she come back?
So, she come here all the way.
Hmm?
She can't tell me say she not get her money.
No, sir.
If
She never have me for no money yet.
Mike, we know you know, you love you and your money, you know.
Me say she never have me for no money yet.
The power of vagina is weak to mankind.
Ah, boy.
That will control you and make you sell out your house.
You know, say. Me and you know. We are old boy, you know. And when we get one young something, you know. Sometimes we can't watch money, you know.
No, me have to
We have
watch
to
it.
just.
No, me love money. Me not see no woman love money like me.
No,
Me love
sir.
money because without money you can't have happiness.
I was like, right now you make me feel like I want a rum.
You know, me. Without money you can't have happiness, me I tell you that. You think we can go from in Jamaica plane to me and fly out?
No man, as long as you have manners. Can go anyway.
When?
Anyway.
Which part?
Not that your parents tell you.
My parents never did idiot back then. Me try that. Me go to Mr. China, I say, beg you one bun, please. No manners that.
You never telling good morning.
Lord, I'm...
So you know no manners.
So what I do? Well, if you tell him good morning, I see him thing. I see him
You
thing.
didn't push your shirt in your pants.
No, for what?
That's why you never get it. Present yourself, man.
So, me should dress up myself to beg. Push it.
Yes.
I'd rather...
What you think I want this house?
Look here, I'd rather come to tell Mr. Hannah and go beg. But then he said he cut off.
Alright.
I'd rather do that. But
You sound like a general.
I'm going to show you who are the real general and who are the player. Try to defend yourself. Yeah?
Alright,
Try to
sir.
defend yourself.
Alright, sir. Take care.
Yeah, man.
Husband, watch my husband.
Welcome, girl.
You too, so.
What them say money you come for again?
B, that's all I think of me. Huh?
You say you come for money.
No, babes, because when you come, we want money, but today we don't want no money from us. No money.
So a breeze blow you come now.
We have a nice opportunity to get a lot of this. Why don't they just put me on the paper and everything in your bank account, you go in your bill and everything, so I'm not sure come and ask for money every minute. Because listen to me, when I put my name for everything, I just can't go to the bank, jot that the money X, Y, Z.
You may put you on the wheel. And you have to live, you know.
Of course, you're my poochie coochie, you know? I love you so much. We're gonna build a family, have babies. Oh my god, it's gonna be so romantic. You know? So,
I like it too, you know.
babes, you're going to have this body forever, you know? You just come and wake up beside of me and everything. So when are you going to put my name on the paper?
As soon as me start.
Please. Listen. tomorrow morning, we go down to the office and you just put my name on it. Put that so.
Just
And
like
then
that.
after we come back, you can have a warm shower, you massage me and then you go down and you can get
Go
the business.
down there. I don't go down there, you know.
Not like that, you just can romance my body because I love romance.
Okay.
Yes. So more is the bathroom so come.
Yeah, man.
So tomorrow morning when we come back home we can play about that.
There, you know.
You know, see my friend.
In the bathroom.
So, you put her on the wheel?
What you know about that?
But that's what I asked, you know, I'm just curious. One if I put her on the wheel.
Not yet. Tomorrow, I'm going to put that on.
Oh, so I put, she not really want you to. She want you put her on the wheel and then she kill you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that she a plan for do.
Alright. So my friend is right then. And my friend tell me say, she original.
She not want you. I just the money she want and your house and everything.
Okay. I'm glad you tell me.
But you must know if I really go put her on the wheel, see me.
No, sir. That all you don't know. That means that's something she a plan.
Well, let me tell you what I really want. 3 away, you know. Tell you the truth. 3 away as female. And we can man and them thing there. And I can share can you.
Glad you tell me.
So, I don't know. I don't know if I still go put her by your wheel.
No, sir. No, sir, I'm not do that.
But that 3 away still. Me, she, and one other girl.
Alright. So, me will know what to do.
Alright, me I go down here, so.
Yeah. Oh, man. They don't use the bathroom already. Hold on there.
See, listen to me. We just see my friend come here. I want you to come tell us.
She tell me say, your friend, that are you, I plan to put your palm wheel and then you kill me. So that are your plan?
Not like that. This love we have.
So all she knows say, they gonna put you palm
Listen
wheel.
me, a bad mind, they bad mind me just to, let me come to you clean now. Just to you love me, always give me a things them. I'm always go over there and I tell them say, yeah, give me a things them. The girl them bad mind me now. And I come over here and tell you false news. And you see the man when he come here, I'm telling you now. Him have some beef with them and me don't know about. But babes, you know, say I love you and he's a good girl. Me don't know them girl then.
You wanna go on? Me ask you to kind of leave my place.
So what be? Say you about to pump on him.
No. Because you plan to kill me.
Babes, we don't never kill her. Why would I kill her?
Why you want to kill me over my will?
Babes, we don't never do such thing. I love you. You know, you're my coochie cool.
Alright, leave my place. Leave my place. All I want to go and go say clone and spoil. Leave my place.
Babes, listen to me. Me I go talk to a girl right now and come back to you, alright?
Mm-hmm.
You're my coochie cool, remember that. And I love you.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, so we have planned to have a
Yeah,
family.
man. Yeah, man.
We soon come back, babes.
Yes.
Don't move.
All criminal.
Who that? Come in, girl.
What?
Me there.
Please.
Yeah, lucky doors.
We can't believe, say. You know, say. me and the man, no, nothing. And I'm set you up on the man, so we have a clear piece of food from you, right?
So I have yours.
I am up in the yard telling about home, you just want the money and then say, what I try to do? Eh? I'm I try to mash up my business. Eh?
I mash up your business, but you know, money kind of like you now, look who we and thing.
So, me make your care of the man to catch feelings, especially a man that me know. Look here. You see, if you want somebody or will fall in love with somebody, you find them off your own.
You never met that come between a friendship still.
You think, so, where I go, sit down. If you say me not hear everything when you talk about, you're a wicked girl. Look how we come put you in a good clothes. Eh? And buy your shoes and everything and say, go on the road, go make man look you.
Easy, no, easy, no. So you like you door and a creep up on me, so I'm not really like...
So, please, you can't really say really do this to me, girl. Eh? You know, so many want to come down to this.
What do you mean by come down to what?
Hmm?
Come down to
You look on me, girl. You know me, you know how me didn't want to hold you, eh? After me a bunch man. Dead girl, wicked girl. Dead girl, eh? They don't inform of dead man. Sleep, yeah, sleep.
Yeah, I know about bro. Yeah, man. It's a big piece of food me have to get from a client here, daddy. Yeah, man. So what you pray? Yeah. A good piece of money, man. When time I get this money, man, and change out in a Jamaican, it's gonna be whole heap. You see me? And my mom can go and spend some money and sit. You see it? Yeah, man. But tell you what, I'll get a bag and make my daughter come pick up the money for you. You see me? Yeah, man. Let me see him like a daughter for around someone. Right. Yeah, man. I'm gonna get this a piece of food, man. I got nice, man. See it? Then boy, I move away still though, daddy, but I'm sending a piece of food and you know, say, they're on the line. So when we cut off the food off the line and change out in a Jamaican, you know, so we're going to have a good piece of food. You see me? Yeah, man, to celebrate and do what we want to do, man. All the man must have family to take care and sit, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, I say 40. Now let my daughter come pick up it. You see me? That is it. Full object.
You know, we saw that.
I don't want to know that, man. Thank you.
Hello?
Yeah, Wagwan.
There, girl.
I'm down, girl, me man. Me have a big piece of money for you still, you know.
Oh, listen, your mother in the hospital?
No bother with that, man. That's gonna leave me now.
Alright, may I come now?
Yeah, man.
Because me have a friend, she's so close to me, I have to go. You know, the hospital, you know, drop down and she kind of hurt. So my partner said, me have to go.
Can I stay like brother?
Me I come.
Yeah, make sure you be safe out there now.
Yeah, man.
I like the style of the man. The time you come here, you get on them and sit here.
Yeah, come now, man.
Not try to give you a chance, man. Like, nah, work with you, man.
Next time.
We can next time. I don't mean I eat it.
Yeah, next time I come down, I promise you. Next time I come down here.
So when you remember drinking black stallion and the magnum.
Yeah, come on, man.
Ready.
Remember now. Watch out now. I have to go back home because my sister there home. You know, I sit down there so you want to enter, but I have to go back home. My sister sleep and she don't know say me gone. I don't want she wake up and then, you know.
Yo.
My sister was 6 years old now. And I'm sure not to go out here so I'm 6 years old now in a house.
But she asleep, man.
No, anybody can go in the panic.
2 minutes.
We can't. We for next time I come down, man. Come on.
Alright, if you just put it on your hand. Please.
You say a joker. Yes, come on.
So, alright, so you see your life funny now. So you just take my money a while ago and then No,
Yes.
me want look 2 minutes today, you can't
Yes,
get it.
the money now, it have to help my sister. Can you have a little float, you know, and you know that run out and so bumper come up and in it. Why also me get money? I have to buy medical to gear. Just understand, yes. Understand now?
Oh,
Come on, next time you come on, you will do what else you want. Remember say last time, they gonna say, me did the power, you know. And this time I can't turn again, can't turn no more late longer.
you know, time you come here, you're full of excuse, man.
I'm not excuse.
If excuse could have killed people, you know what people are dead already.
Babes, understand now, but I still be with that, you know. Anything can pass and wake up anytime.
Alright, you know, I'm going, go on.
When we come back,
Go on. I'm not going to follow you, bro. Go on. Go
when
on.
we come back, man. Alright, babes. So that's what the one there.
Don't worry about that, man. I'm here, man. Thing now, man.
I could ask Mali and she gone too.
Watch your mouth, man. I'm here, my daughter. Tell you what. It's early morning. More you go down a big job. See? I'm going to pick up a bag of money for me. I'm going to get started out with it, isn't it? Early morning, more you pick up, you know. Isn't it? I'm going to tell you this. Because when I have that money, then I know you delay upon the road, you know. And I know now, man, set of money. I say chop line money different from the rest of money. Police catch you, you know. Dog and drunk and I suffer, you know.
If they catch me, you know the car.
You know I'm my daughter, man. You know me love me. You know me get it at any trouble. You see me?
Yes, sir.
But don't delay on the road with that the money there. You hear me say?
Yes, sir.
You don't want you in no trouble. You see me? Alright, my daughter. You're right. Early morning, you see me?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, she pretty big joke. You know, you know better to move the whole deal. You know, man, specific food they can do whatever man.
Tell you what. Early morning, I send people some food. You see? Yeah, because I say I want to buy one new house and come to the house here and sit. You see me? Yeah, man. So early morning, I send people and you see buddies. Alright, I say 40 me kid. No.
How long is?
Yeah, man, if you tell me what I'm going.
I feel like one of my friends, them mother dropped down a heart attack to me. I just go check for that. But they can't really to help with her medical bills and because what you know, say she cannot. But you know, because my friend now, she would have been like a sister to me. You see, I want to give her $1. So I say, alright, I will ask me to be. I know some love and thing, alright, just help me out now. I'm a good friend, man. My mother sick and want to give her the food.
What are you doing in the yard?
What?
What are you doing in the yard?
I don't know.
It up every minute, they run back a friend. Now see friend and drop down fire or something. What are you doing in that place?
I know my friend and drop me and mother drop me. I want to help her.
Help her? What do you do for help her?
Come on, but be selfish, man. Yeah, help me with her hour. Don't be selfish.
Everything you want me to help you.
I'm not working, D.
I am not do the right thing, me help you, not help me. Look on the place so you know me I plan to
Of
buy
course,
a new
may I help
house.
you? May I help you with your daughter?
With my daughter.
Yeah?
My daughter not in here. If you didn't help me with my daughter would have against you.
No, your daughter like she have problem, you know.
Stop
come
be like
on,
that,
man.
man. Do the right thing, daddy. So I plan to buy one new house there. And you make me feel like me need one carrying on my new house to where you go on.
I said, if you do the right thing, you know, do the right thing, if you give me a little skill or something, you can give me a little friend.
Respect me. And so when I do things for you, you have to go up on your knee and thank me then way there.
No, me not go down. Me not go down. Me respect and me love you and thing, you know, say, come on, man. Come
Never
on.
tell her to go down. If I tell her to go down in your yard, you have to go back.
So now me, I never go back.
Go up on your knee is showing a perfect respect to who is taking care of you.
But you go up on your knee?
You don't know that, man?
You go up on your knee?
If I go up on my knee, how I get to do things for and help you.
Just chill, man. That's...
As you say that, I just the day I saw you. You come and tell me about a friend and me have you for response about and my daughter for response about. You come and tell me about a friend. Oh, you know if a chick friend, a chick you.
Me go down there, me and tell her me go down there. Me see woman in her bed lay down.
Lay down is what?
Woman sick. And she dey on machine. Woman on machine. Man, I cough out blood.
And
Stop be selfish, no?
what you do for help her?
You just comfort her.
Just go down because look, you don't do nothing else.
So that's why I come and have me that gear. Money if I'm going to come to you to ask you for a little money.
Where are the money them mommy give? Where are the money them mommy give?
You buy something.
Thing good man, go and wait.
Then you give me money.
Where money them mommy give? What you do with them?
That's the money buy something to eat for me, daughter.
Alright,
The doctor not tell her that.
That pick up some food tomorrow. Don't worry yourself. Early morning, you make it get sick now, like. Normal pre.
Alright.
Wash your foot. I say just come in the house and say, go and wash your foot and say.
Alright.
The next one.
Yes. I just realize. I'm going to say that if I'm lying. How much is it?
Worry about that, man. You must say I can pick up a piece of money and me tell you about.
Oh. Today? Okay.
You know.
Come here, little daughter, and I feel like I see her for a man. I feel ask about that.
Someone start with the new house or something. So we can come out of this old building.
Everything, yeah.
You will have a belly so you can cook more healthy food.
I love my belly. Never mind. So how you not show me your house? You say you want to finish building. So you know, leave me for your house to come and say it.
That's the surprise, man. I want you, man.
Surprise.
You know, so hot and feel torment.
No, you ever torment, you ever hot. If you feel hot, go and go bed. Go and go bed.
So we get the next new house now, we're cooler, we're nice. We can enjoy our life and live what we want to live.
More AC instead of the fridge.
That makes me
More
like
fridge
with
instead of
sometimes.
fan. You're not chat foolish.
Which is high.
Not high, but more well. If fan not really too a hot breeze, I get out of fan more well.
Can get 3 fans, make it still hot. Can get 6 fans.
AC much better.
We don't need no A nor no C. We don't need to go into the alphabet. Really easy.
Alright, still. See, I go on the road car, you just up so like a goat.
Yeah, man, what do you man? Must have money land, you know. Get some new beats. Expensive, is it?
I mean, I see me up there, Tony, you alone. I should have buy me a little clothes. Yes, yes, sir. You want to give me money, so more clothes for you.
I will buy you them here. I'll buy you this. I'll make your skin clean, son. I'll make you can lie down on the bed.
Come on, to.
Relax, man. What's your mind put it in? Make it
Alright.
come like, go and kiss her. I want to kiss her, man. Calm down, man. I don't want to kiss her, go outside.
You good, man. You're fine.
Relax, man.
Alright, later.
Don't check in, babe.
Oh, you're from back from mine. I have this. You know, what's your phone earlier? So,
You know, I'm going on again.
you know, so
Anyway, I'm going to use the watch me. Tired.
alright. Yeah, I nearly dropped.
Back.
What's going on, my daughter?
Daddy, the reason why I tell you to carry the bag they come, so we swap bag because I want to prove to you say the girl that we have down there are thief. Because last night me hear her on phone they chat to some girl on conference call. But they might play a girl and this and that and this and that and they might chat on. So I want to prove to you for sure say she a thief.
So you hear them with the conversation upon the phone?
Yes, Daddy.
But somebody tell me yesterday, hear her with the same conversation upon one phone same way.
Come here, tell us that she a thief.
Come here, wonder why you tell me if you carry bag come and sit, you know.
You know what I want you do now? Go swap bag. Take the money and go and look for your phone and put that bag.
Let me know if you're smart, you know. I really think you know my daughter.
Daddy, go and go look for your house, yeah?
Alright, tell her what. Respect, here.
One dog kind of, you see me? Take care of yourself, man, and do it right. You see me? You see that girl lay out? Girl, I'm... Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Let me get myself into. How much money there? No close in here. Oh yes. Yes. I'm going to check the idiot. If the glass in have next. Alright.
Yeah, man. Wow, I tell you that one now. Yo. Some things good over there, man. Terrible, man.
Yes.
Hold on, man. No, hold on, man. Remember me tell you? Yeah, man, just deal with it right now. Yeah, man, the package arrived. Just deal with it right now. Yeah, man. What's that now?
What about babes?
I like how you cheat me, you know.
You
cheat me wicked.
How?
I want to ask you a question, though.
What then?
Every time you come around me, I can never know if you're a man or you're a woman, and you just take money, so. What kind of game you play?
I'm not playing no game.
So you come back for more money?
You mean by I come back for more money? No, I only come here just... Alright. Because I know someone live with you now.
What?
You want to step up. Alright, you see I
no,
came back, step up.
No, I want to ask you a question. What you plan to live now?
Me remember say, Mayor, they right, and we couldn't be my ecosystem. What if you want privacy? You want to privacy in the butt. My mother come back, you know, yesterday. And she say, alright now, my big woman now, so I'm going to find a yard or a house now. We was going to be at work or something. She'll take care of my little sister now still. So that's why she say, you must go and try to get my food now. But I remember saying, yeah, we know, girlfriend or boyfriend soon be a wife, you soon be a husband. Yes, I just come to you.
I can ask you a question. How me fi be your husband when me don't know the colour of your panty? I know how 3 times you chop me, you know.
You mean by chop? You mean I chop you? Me I be real to me love
you. You know to me leave my friend what day I tell him about you. And I kind of have a confession to make.
What that is?
Your friend. You have two other friends. You know to one of them chop me though. You know no other friends.
Well, we have two little female friends, yeah, but we're not so close. Just high and by.
One brown one?
Yeah, one brown one. One little pussy-ish, right?
Right, and one black one. One, I did 4 rounds, I don't know if I 3, I don't know what in there. But one of them with the cow nose. With the cow, what they call that, they put in the
nose ring.
A cow alone, I don't have it something there. I don't ram. I don't want nobody use because I don't use nobody girl.
I don't use a man.
Listen to me now. I don't want to get to this up right now. Me don't have a circulation of who are the player. But I want to tell us that me is one of the biggest players I could ever seen. You see, some time I get the money, make an escape with the money. It just test me, if that come good, but you know, come good, it's still worse.
We are talking about beers. Let's come on and buy something for me and my sister.
Alright, let me explain the thing when we are talking about now. The brown friend.
Yeah.
You know where she there now?
No, I never know that. She know her one woman, that one man said, you don't know.
She there in prison.
What she happening?
A matter of fact, I don't know if you reached there yet, but I know she's in a lock up.
So how she went to jail?
She killed her best friend. The girl wanna plan to rob every man who can rob them. One cocoa full basket.
Me never know sir. Me not in there them things there. Me not in there.
The bar me go and tell me you know in there.
Come on now.
You know sir. The man where you did live with. You know sir my cousin.
You mean which man? Yeah, alright, you have fever? You alright, which man I live with? I'm and my sister live.
All along I tell me say your sister live.
I'm my sister.
The man where you live with, I'm a cousin. He have a little daughter named Joey. You know say, that little girl take everything off of me smart. You know say when you see me on the phone, and him me I talk to. You thief a bag of clothes and things say money. You thief the bag of clothes, right? And feel say money. You feel say that the little girl a fool. The little girl swap the bag with his father on the road.
Oh, so you take me to a joke?
No. Me I try show you say, you see Yasso, enough use it. You see Yasso, enough try use against man. If you don't want a man, you're not taking things. Because right now we could have kill you. Yeah, we could have kill you. Because you take enough money off of me. We could have kill you. But I don't do them things there.
But look on the other side, I don't want woman to have man, woman. So
yeah, me and that. No, where you go right now, me will teach you something and you will learn today. Every man shall mind them woman. Because if a next man mind them woman, they will lose their woman.
Okay then. So what you talk about clean?
But a woman must not use them body to try to take a thing from a man. If a man don't give you, find a different man. Don't watch your body count. If you're there without a relationship and in a work out, you left. Not because you tell yourself, say, boy, I don't want my body count past 3. While you go turn this and dead as a papa, and you go turn this and get better blues on him, you'll find somebody else. But you don't quickly lay down with him quick. If that the man that can't wait 3 months time or 6 months time, you don't give none. You know, try that. Get a work if you want to be an independent woman. Instead of thief.
So that's why I come to you so we can live together.
No.
Start living with
No.
us. I mean by now.
You cannot live.
So yeah, so we done.
And by the way, and I have to live neither. I have a mansion. We just try to test if you see you. If you hope see you really big. And it come like you still feel.
So you're fake. You fake. So after you say this, say that. So how long they play around?
Yes, because I try to show you who are the real player. Who are the real player? You brown girl, you see the brown girl, she opened up my eyes. You know, so she tried to trap me one time. But I catch up on her and she confessed and tell me, say, the girl who I deal with, work with her too. So that's why when they asked me for 30, we get 20. The last time you asked me for 40,000, we get 30. Because I try to test you. So, you see, in life, we can't call the police now and lock you up. But if you commit a murder, I'm not going to lock you up now if you get a chance. So, you see, when you left Yasso, the next man you take up, don't think to use him. Don't think to rob him. Because you can't rob your own life. You hear me, sister? You understand what I say, sir?
I understand, man.
So you can take your leave now. Me go to my mansion and go relax. Go on.
You sure you don't want to think about it if you let me live with it?
Think about I'm not sure. Right. Yeah, we reach at the end of the story, so just tell me what you think. I think we done it too quick. I think you want something, but at least, yeah, I'm going to something to go and watch in the meantime while I shoot. Oh no, alright, there's a thing I'm trying to do now. Alright, we do Mel doing a lot of bad activity, so we're going to make Mel do a good part of a story where you're going to flip, that we're going to confuse and wonder if Mel could do it. So I'm going to push her to the limit to do a soft role. Not a bad role, not a tech man role, because she love tech man in a movie and love thief. So I'm going to make she do a sensible movie named Searching for Love, coming soon.